Look at that face.
Hello, Dai. What's up? How's it?
Hello. How's it going?
Uh, uh, good. No was ever start करने हामी.
We're live already, bro.
ए हो. Oh, okay. Let me. एकैचोटि जान्छु म क्या. Like, cool. Let me see.
We should be live. Kisa, halkabar subjanaku. How's everybody doing? What's up? Hello, Breeze 7685. This is my radio voice, by the way. Hello, sir. के छ तपाईको हाल खबर? हामी सबैजना छौं यहाँ. Textले. All right, vibe coding session 2. कतिजना छौं? I see 12 concurrent viewers अहिलेसम्म चाहिँ. सबजनाले एकचोटि hello भनिदिउँ chatमा, just so I know that you guys are here, so that I know that I'm not hallucinating. एकचोटि सबजनाले chatमा hello चाहिँ भनिदिनुस्, hello, just so I can know. So we're with Superteam once again. हिजो हामी अलिकति बढी गफाडी भएर हामी गफ धेरै गर्यौं, कोड कम गर्यौं. That's why we're trying to fix it today. Sales with Firoz. What's up, Firoz? Oh, you're a salesperson. That's great. We need more salespeople in the country, especially tech field ma. We can build a lot of things. We can't sell anything. So Firoz bro, let's start selling shit. Where else? Where are the rest of the 16 people? Only 2 hellos I've gotten so far. Looked at your funnel for Jiffy. Jiffy ko funnel is not that great. Also, I'm leaving Jiffy. Newsflash. This is my last month at Jiffy. I'm leaving the CEO position. I will be working on some other project. But yeah. Bikram Kisa. Thank you so much, Kirtan. It was only for acquisition retention. Khai. Yeah, like यस्तो थियो हामी एक्विजिसनमा एक्विजिसन हेर्न खोज्यो, रिटेन्सन चिप्लिने, रिटेन्सन हेर्न खोज्यो, एक्विजिसन चिप्लिने टाइपको सिचुएसन थियो. मोस्टली इट्स रिसोर्सेसको कमी हो, मोर देन एनिथिङ एल्स. सो द्याट्स वाइ. Hi, I'm a new sub. Thank you so much, KSME Enterprise. Thank you for the subscription. All right. So if you are new आज तिमीले हिजो हेरेको थिएनौ भने चाहिँ this is a continuation of what we were doing yesterday. We were vibe coding a Solana project. And I'm kind of doing this to promote their hackathon, which is happening. I think it's he'll give you all the details about a hackathon, Solanako, and it has big prize projects. I myself is a big I myself am a big fan of hackathons. I started my career from hackathon, so any hackathon, I'm always Kibo. Yes, what happened, guys? Okay, I know. All right. What are you doing, guys? Okay. केटाहरू टेक टेक चेक हान्दैछन् 15 लाख प्राइज पुल फर नेपाली टिम्स भनेर मिलाउँदैछन् अब कि त्यो आउँछ कि म आउँछु दुईटा चाहिँ आइरहेको छैन केटाहरू त्यहाँ बसेर मिलाउँदैछन् क्वेसन क्यान आई आस्क प्लिज केएसएमई आस्क अवे कता हराइसक्यो Super Team Bros. Fix it. Okay. Yes. Can you explain what SOLAMRI is? It is a tipping platform for creators. So creatorहरूलाई fansहरूले अलिकति केही tips पैसा पठाउनु पर्यो भने they can send it, but we are accepting Solana Solana as payment. And so this is because this is a Solana related hackathon, so we're building a cryptocurrency tipping platform for creators. That's what SOLAMRI is. And again, this is not a real project. It is just something that we're doing for fun. I don't think we're going to release it, but this is just a nice practice for doing things. How it works? मैले भनिहालेँ हैन. So you can tip Solana. What is Solana currency called? Solana currency लाई केही भन्छ? It's just called Solana. So you can tip Solana coins, I think. ब्लकचेन नेपालमा कहिले लिगल हुन्छ दाइ? I don't know. I don't know. Blockchain legalize गर्नको लागि there's so many things that has to happen before that. त्यो गर्नुभन्दा अगाडि blockchain legalize गर्नु गाह्रै छ क्या हैन. It's not because people don't want to, it's just that there's so much work left to do that त्यो गर्दा गर्दै अब त्यो बल्ल blockchain को पाला आउँछ. Then there are bigger problems to solve before that जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई चाहिँ. So let's see. तर चाँडै हुन्छ होला. कांग्रेसले जितेपछि अरे. But it's possible to make a production level app with zero coding knowledge. With zero coding knowledge, I'll say no. Like you don't have to code, but you have to understand the code. कस्तो भने you will be able to put something out like production level भने के हो त्यसमा पनि फरक पर्छ नि त. Production level भन्दाखेरि if you are talking about security, best practices, scalability, सबै कुरा हेर्नु छ भने चाहिँ you need some knowledge about coding. Not because you have to code, just because you want to tell the AI exactly what to make. हैन. सो त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ कोडिङको नलेज नगरिकन you might be able to put something out, तर म त्यसलाई प्रोडक्सन लेभल चाहिँ भन्दिन होला. अनि like understanding coding is always a plus. All right, let's हामी सोलाना हेर्दै थिएँ कता गयो. Where is my codex? This is my codex. I'll add Ronak in. All right, guys, welcome Ronak back in the stage. के छ फेरि रोनकको कपाल चाहिँ यस्तो यस्तो चाहिँ भइरहेको छ है फेरि यस्तो यस्तो चाहिँ भइरहेको छ.
Hello, what up?
Every 4 minutes मा उसले यस्तो यस्तो गर्छ किनकि he's cool like that. The cool dude. Wait, I have to put my laptop on charge. त्यतिन्जेलको लागि चाहिँ Tell people about the hackathon.
Yay. Okay. Starting again, we have new overlays today. Uh, so I represent something called Superteam Nepal. Superteam Nepal is an initiative by a blockchain called Solana. Solana, must say every quarterly there's a global hackathon that runs where there's a global prize pool of $500,000. But more than that, it's a startup competition. So त्यो भनेको चाहिँ के हो भने हरेक ह्याकाथनको बेला जुन वर्षमा दुईचोटि हुन्छ 15वटा टिम चाहिँ एक्सिलरेटरमा एक्सेप्ट हुन्छ. एक्सिलरेटरमा एक्सेप्ट भयो भने चाहिँ यु गेट $250,000 इन प्री सिड फन्डिङ. लाइक इट्स लाइक वाइ कम्बिनेटेड जस्तो एक्सिलरेटर होइन. अनि त्यसमा एक्सेप्ट हुन्छ अनि देयर इज अ डेमो डे वेयर पिपल रेज वे मोर होइन. अनि we are helping Nepali teams to win in that hackathon. Last time, one Nepali team has already gotten into an accelerator, and other teams won a bunch of prizes. Only just for Nepalis, but now $10,000. That is 15 lakh rupiah of just a prize pool apart from the major prize pool just for Nepali teams. We have that. Then also like every weekend $50 ko sprint pani garra. Like today, a bounty launch passes. If you're building for the Frontier Hackathon and if you made the most amount of progress in this weekend, you have another $50 to win. So yeah, hackathon prize pools. We are doing a local hackathon. Same, you need to just submit for the global hackathon and you qualify for it. And that makes us the biggest hackathon in Nepal ever with 15 lakh of prize pool. So Theo, how do you go? You go into यहाँ तलको त्यो आइरह होला colosseum.com/frontier त्यहाँ गएर रेजिस्टर गर्ने. त्यही हो.
Done.
आयुष त भर्खर भात सात खाएर आउनु भएको छ क्या.
ओ म क्या मोटे देखिरहेको रहेछ यार. I need to lose weight. Like I think I have another great idea for a project.
Okay, what?
So we hook a computer up with a treadmill.
Okay.
I know.
And
the more you run, the faster it computes, which means you can mine cryptocurrency while running. The more you run, the more you lose weight, the more you make money.
Yeah, pretty cool.
I think that's the great idea that we should be working in.
That's a generational idea.
So like next to SMA.
Mm.
Okay. All right.
Okay,
So we were kind of stuck in a few different places. First of all, there are a few things that it did that I didn't ask it to do. I know. So I'm going for 5.4. I think 5.5 is way too much.
No, I actually did research it. 5.5 ले त्यस्तो धेरै टोकन चाहिँ लिने होइन रहेछ. हामीले धेरै काम गरा हो.
होइन यस्तो छ. I've been asking AI to make plans for a while. This is way too much. होइन जस्तै I asked Superbase गर भनेर भने मैले होइन. It installed के अरे Superbase CLI अनि डकरमा रन गरिरहेछ नि त्यहाँ चलाइदिरहेछ. You know, that's way too much. But let's go with it. होइन.
Can we do one thing? Like एउटा हामी हजुरले registration link चाहिँ chat मा लेखिदिएर pin गरिदियो भने I think everyone who comes in will have easier time.
What is it? के राम्रो?
It's colosseum.com/frontier.
colosseum.com/frontier.
And guys, any of our socials ma Discord, so Discord is where we host all our things and announce everything. Superteam Nepal ko Discord, so we have 700 plus people right now. It's very active. We do like weekend AMAs daily pani. So yeah, if you want to build for the hackathon and have any questions, come there.
Does the startup
has to?
Timi respond gara.
Okay. Does the startup has to be in blockchain technology? Yes. So it's a Solana hackathon. So it needs to be on Solana. But that said, you need to understand alikati how blockchain works and how Solana works. But if you're just participating for fun, there's a lot of AI tools now you can use. Solana.new use we are not actually writing any Solana code. The agent is doing for us. But with that said, you should understand what is happening under the hood. Yes. Hello, brother. I'm Suresh Mahat. I'm 12 pass student, but I did not join college and take 1 year gap for skill building. Can I get a job or internship without degree, but have MERN plus TSA plus general skill? yeah, I'm sure you can get a job because I did the same. मैले 12 पछि 2 वर्ष gap year ल्याएको थिएँ. त्यसपछि पनि I have not finished my college. So what I'm trying to say is, yeah, you should be able to get a job if you have the right skills and right projects.
That's true. Actually,
Bro, where should I start today, Kumit? Bro, where should I start today to make good app with AI? Use any of Claude or Codex and अलिकति चाहिँ बुझ, like what are you trying to build भनेर. So अहिले हामी demonstrate गर्छौँ. If you actually, you should go and watch हिजोको हाम्रो stream. We actually demonstrated how Solana New works and everything. So you can go. I'll write something in the chat. It's Solana.new. Solana.new ma gaera, if you just see, it is a AI agent that lets you build full-fledged Solana apps without writing apps. So you can actually Clot Premium. Okay, there's another thing that is very exciting and should help you guys is Superteam, the company we are, is sponsoring $200 just to buy AI credits. So what you can do is you can go in a website called earn.superteam.fun. त्यसमा तल ग्रान्ट्समा there's an agentic track. So you can apply for a grant for $200 just to buy AI credits and build your startup. So we actually are helping everyone to build for this hackathon using AI. So you can go that. Also, here's the context. We're building an infrastructure for creator commerce. We do have plans for blockchain for global level right now. We're presented at but need some consultation. We're building an infrastructure for creator commerce. We do have plans for blockchain for global level. Right now, we're at pre-seed, but need some consultation. I think that's a good idea to build. So you hackathon bhanda pani, it's more of a startup competition. Okay? So exactly projects like this makes them win because they see like team costos her, experience costos her, how big the project can big, how big the project can become, revenue balance success. So I think your project is the best submitter because it's actually looking for startups. Link please. Okay. Aditya, if you're in the chat, can you drop the link? Wait.
So guys, यता टेकमा को बसिरहेछ होइन, यो स्क्रिन चाहिँ इट्स गेटिङ उ भइरहेछ, बेला बेलामा हराइरहेछ यता उसबाट.
त्यो चाहिँ हिज्दै भइरहेको किन भइरहेको त्यस्तो हुनु त नपर्ने हो.
I don't know. Is it because there are two people working at the same time? Is it getting confused like that?
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
बेलामा गइरहेछ.
So, how can you like drop this in the chat? मैले गरेको, that's the agentic track.
What is it?
Okay, I'll send you in the group.
केमा पठाए? WhatsApp-मा?
WhatsApp-मा. So this is the $200 को grant apply गर्न मिल्छ के, just to buy credits.
Superteam.fun.
मैले अहिले भर्खर chatमा ग्रुपमा पठाएको. Agentic engineering track भनेर.
Okay, this is the site. And yeah, I'm putting it in the open. Yeah.
Wow, $17,000 दिइसकेको रहेछ है अहिले यो ग्रान्टमा.
But yeah, यता टेक साइडमा कोही छ भने यसो चेक गर्दै गर है, why the screen is getting के अरे
Aditya is there. Hi Aditya, can you please look into
drop भइरहेछ भनेर एकचोटि त्यो चेक गर है. Okay, let's start. अब चाहिँ
yeah,
right. So this is what we have so far. This is just the के भन्छ यसलाई, this is not a functioning product, this is just the front end. This is quite interesting to me because मैले अहिलेसम्म गरेको vibe coding मा चाहिँ the planning usually builds the front end at the end. Well, it tries to do the back end side first and then gets everything done, and this is ball front end build garna khojcha. This build the front end first. I think this is a little bit of codex work, which I'm up for it, tara just flagging it as this is interesting one, right? Ani so what I have done आज दिउँसो चाहिँ मैले बसेर एकचोटि I looked at our backlog हैन.
okay.
And I kind of stripped it down, right? So हामीले Epic 0, which is foundation and configuration, which also had the basic routes र यो pages हरु त्यो गरिसक्यो. we did epic 1 जहाँ चाहिँ we did the database schema. We installed Superbase CLI. Superbase को एउटा instance locally run भइरहेछ, सबै कुरा त्यहाँ migrate भइरहेको छ. So we got that set up as well. अनि त्यसपछिको epic चाहिँ I kind of went through it अनि I stripped down things that we don't need. ठुल्ठुलो epicsलाई मैले 3 र 4 was in the same epic, मैले त्यसलाई break गरेँ, and then I just basically asked it to make, हामी चाहिँ local hosting मात्रै गर्छौँ for this session, right? So that's what we are doing अहिले चाहिँ. अनि I'm also not putting it on GitHub immediately. सबै गरिसकेपछि गरौँला है त.
Okay, feels cool. हामीले हटायो त्यो उसले के गरिरहेको थियो नि त्यो. I think we just want, the intention is to prototype.
It had the right direction. It just did way too much, हैन? मतलब it was adding too many things. मतलब production level को application को लागि चाहिँ backlog लेखिरहेको थियो, and each epic was way too big. अनि मैले चाहिँ just basically asked it to strip it down भनेर, हैन? So अब चाहिँ हामी auth र profile setup मा जान्छौँ. Okay. Okay, let's start on epic 3 for this project as mentioned in backlog. Before starting, give me a summary of everything that we are going to complete. Oh, 5.5, no 5.5, we are going 5.4. Hi.
Yeah,
we're going to complete, and also let's have a conversation on any pending decisions, if there are any.
Pretty cool. So मैले usually Solana.news गर्दा चाहिँ we give it all the planning and it actually like makes it up in one shot. One shot बनाइ नै दिन्छ यसले. I think
yeah बनाउँछ, but that's where I am standing and I'm putting a hard stance कि that is not something that you should be doing, हैन? किनकि सक्छ होला, but that is not a good practice. It's almost like you can put all the code in the same file, but should you? No.
Yeah.
Right, so this is just about best practice for me. For me as an engineer, we already know that AI can do a lot of things, right?
Yeah.
But we're still struggling with best practices. I don't मैले गरेको कुरा right हो हैन आफ्नो ठाउँमा छ, but we have to try and figure out the best practices.
Sure, of course.
You pulled the backlog. I've got the backlog section. I've got enough context. There's already a placeholder route. Okay, nice. This configures direction. Absolutely. And I pulled the backlog. What will complete in Epic 3? We'll turn SOLAMRI/slug into a real public tipping page that works without sign-in and creates a pending payment intent before any wallet transaction happens. Okay. Concretely, that means real public profile lookup by slug with proper not found path. Okay, you got some mami, you got some focus test, unit test. Okay, I'll do unit test. Here UI states were ready to tip, validation error, intent created successfully, API failure. And payment intent creation by Alio, shared validation for amount and form payloads, generated matching metadata on the intent. Okay, a couple of important notes from the repo as it stands. Is currently just UI stub with fake demo behavior.
Already has public payment.
Valid profiles still marked not started in the backlog, so Epic 3 can be not started. Epic 3. Oh, what did I do? Wait, what? What did I do?
Epic 2 complete भइसकेको थियो अरे. Epic
we're supposed to do Epic 2, not Epic 3.
Yeah.
Wait. This is let's we're supposed to do Epic 3, not Epic 2. This is a big mistake. Epic 2. Zondai mistake gora bro. Okay, ओके एपिक 3 यसलाई म डिलिट हानिदिन्छु खोइ डिलिट नो डिलिट आर्काइभ च्याट फक द्याट ऊ गइसक्यो स्क्रिन गइसक्यो
Yeah, I was telling Aditya के भएछ यो आई थिङ्क डबल दुईजनाले चलाएर हो कि
कुड बी है
I'll see
रोनक
here.
तिमी याद गरेर राख है के अरे
म हेरिरहेको छु या
Alright. Alright, let's quick question. What's up, sales Firoz? The email sign up for Super Team isn't letting custom domains, I believe. Are Hora?
I'm not sure. Just like you can apply for a grant from your personal email. Doesn't have to be custom domains.
No, he
हजुरको
wants
screen share गइरह रे.
the custom domain.
Then I'm not sure. हजुरको screen share चाहिँ गइरह रे apparently.
त्यही त
So it's
मेरो
not going from the screen.
त्यही त नि इट्स होइन यहाँ स्ट्रिम यार्डमा त्यो स्क्रिन नै हराइरहेछ आफै
किन होला
आई हेभ टु गो एन्ड एड के अरे मैले फेरि रिएड गर्नु परिरहेछ स्क्रिनहरू
Okay. So people joining in, what we're trying to build is we're trying to build a tipping platform on Solana called SOLAMRI. जहाँ चाहिँ a creator can register themselves in that platform, and anyone from the audience can tip them on Solana using Sol. So they can just tip them. That's all we're trying to build. हेरौँ कस्तो कस्तो बन्छ.
Also, while we're at it, let's go to Gemini. Let's try and make a logo.
Yeah.
Yeah, यसमा हैन
SOLAMRI. Nano banana.
Nano banana म यसमा logged in छैन यसमा छु म Google Gemini.google कता हो
Do you have the sub यसमा कि free हो plus रहेछ?
I have plus. Not now पछि create image. I want to build a logo for a new product called SOLAMRI. It is a tipping platform for that accepts Solana and a tipping plan that accepts Solana.
Yeah.
Solana. I want the logo to have a type mark and a logo mark. A square version should exist that can serve as icons. Let's see if this fast enough thinking I'll miss my okay, what did it do? Sign in flow. Epic 2 does not need to finish public tipping UX pending decisions. There are a few decisions worth settling before I start, and I have clear recommendation for each. Auth path, custom challenge endpoint versus Superbase native Web3 auth. I recommend Superbase native Solana Web3 auth instead of hand rolling challenge. Create verify endpoints. Okay, है yes, let's go with Superbase native. Superbase native Solana Web3 is what is that?
Superbase native Solana Web3. I'm not sure.
Web3 auth guide, है ना? Custom challenge endpoints versus Superbase native Web3 auth. I recommend enrolling. I checked the current Superbase talks and they support Solana wallet sign in directly via sign in with Web3. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, let's try.
Okay, Web3 for now.
I think it like email ko sort it directly signs in with wallet ola. That's what I'm guessing.
Yes, local host. Go with localhost 1271. The receiving wallet behavior. I can prefill the receiving wallet from login wallet, but allow the creator to change it. That keeps onboarding fast with forcing login wallet. I agree.
Yeah.
Go ahead. profile editing in Epic 2. I recommend creation only with light. Yes, let's skip profile editing there for sure.
Mm.
And one more, the browser supervised client currently expects, but the document and we contract only lists server style names. I'd fix that as particular so it doesn't get built on shaky config. Uh, uh, uh. Go ahead with these decisions. Okay,
Yep. I'm looking at the Twitter
let's
chat,
say.
Bunny. If anyone is saying anything on Twitter,
Mm. Oh no.
Kiba.
You. I
Oh.
like text. The text is not bad. Text. I
Mm.
like the type mark. Although we should get rid of the के भन्छ त्यसलाई? What is it? तलकोलाई के भन्छ? What is this called? What is this
कुन
called?
चाहिँ
ए फेरि गयो
sub
यहाँ.
subtext.
Subtext. We should.
Also, on the we're live and want to see if we can qualify for some grants. Yes, we do have grants for Superteam Nepal members. You can go to Discord and there's a link to apply.
Screen is going, bro. यता टेकमा को छ आदित्य हो?
I think के भइरहेको? Can you like log out if that's causing it?
आदित्य like log out तिम्रो साइडबाट है, just to make sure.
Yeah.
However, logo mark however is too much, has too many elements. We should have one iconic mark that is recognizable. Okay, let's see what it does.
It's doing like
Okay, it's
Epoch
working on
2.
Epic. हामी यसमा गेट टु गरिसक्यो यसले एकछिन है त
Git छ र?
छैन छैन गिट हाले छैन
ठिक छ
हामी कहाँ छौँ हामी यहीँ छौँ not bad.
Yeah.
It's interesting. What else?
So like how do you put this on a website? Like it's hard to put on a website.
त्यो त म मिलाइहाल्छु नि right we're going in the right direction but not there yet. I do not want Solana logo directly in our logo. Let's create one mark that has hand and a variation of Solana's S. Let's see. By the way, no, I have no intention of using this. I just want to see if it does anything. Okay. Auth setup flow. टन्नै लेख्यो त
के गर्दैछ कतिवटा lines of code. Oh my god.
The auth
The auth flow change in place. Okay, auth भइसक्यो. Nice.
The first validation path was useful. The code flow is sound, but I hit two integration issues: a wallet type mismatch between Solana wallet adapter and Surface Web3 typings, and a React lint rule should. This is interesting. Integration testing आफैले गरिरहेछ. I think it's built in.
Yeah, it does that. SOLAMRI. It's still using the Solana.new नै नि हैन र?
I think त्यसैले गर्दाखेरि होला, build with Claude ले गर्दाखेरि होला.
Yeah, it आफै integrates. टेस्ट इन्टिग्रेसन्स बिकज Solana.new मा चाहिँ के छ भने all like existing Solana MCP servers को integration छ यसमा.
I think it's like could be the MCP servers could be the reason for high token usage.
Maybe.
That Gemini image modeling is worse these days. OpenAI चाहिँ कडा भएको छ on imaging अरे. We'll try that. What should I learn new in tech? Should I focus on math or do AI ML research or what? Currently full stack and learning DSA. It's तिनटामा जुन गर्दा नि हुन्छ ब्रो बट लाइक अब के भन्ने कसरी भन्ने more use based than के अरे स्पेशलिटी बेस्ड. आई डोन्ट नो कसरी भन्ने त्यसलाई सबै चाहिन्छ. Okay, let's see.
I genuinely like how it looks like. एकदम मजा आइरहेछ मलाई हेरेर चाहिँ. ड्याशबोर्ड तर अथ सथ केही प्लेसमा चाहिँ छैन. सक्यो नि खै त अथ.
एकछिन let's restart.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. सबै हैन. Where is login?
Is that login? Yeah, oh, sign in with your wallet. Nice. Demo page. So then why is everything else publicly available?
त्यो मिलाको छैन त्यो अर्को उसमा छ.
Okay. Select wallet button. देखाइरहेछ. Can you check if it's working? Oh, it's working. Nice.
Connect पनि
भयो. Nice. Lo. It's connecting. Unlock. Connect. ठिक छ एउटै छ तपाईसँग.
Oh, we connected.
Nice.
We connected. Okay. अब के हुन्छ? Copy address, change wallet, disconnect.
यो चाहिँ Solana wallet adapter, so it does it.
Okay, so
it's like now accessing your login चाहिँ उसले again उसबाट wallet confirm गर्नु. Okay, फेरि गयो यो. So now the these logged out किन भइरह्यो?
Web3 provider is disabled. Web3 provider is disabled. What is this?
I think Epic 3 मा गर्छ होला यसले.
Epic 2 is now implemented in the app code, wallet-based creator auth, protected dashboard gating. La, फेरि गयो.
फेरि गयो.
What the F is happening?
Are you live? के रे तपाईले त्यहाँ StreamYard मा चाहिँ are you screen sharing and then adding it?
Yeah.
Probably screen share the whole screen. के गरेर?
हैन screen नै हो.
Or maybe try just screen sharing 4x.
I have 3 screens ni da.
Okay.
Could that be the reason?
Maybe.
And the main flow now lives in app auth page.tx, dashboard/page.tx, and I also added Superbase SSR session refresh path in proxy.ts plus profile validation in lib.profile.ts. The setup form now enforces one profile per user, unique route slugs, and valid Solana receiving wallets before insert. Verification is green. One important note, your app.env is pointing at a hosted Superbase project, so the code is ready, but Web3 auth will only work if that Superbase project also has Solana Web3 sign-in enabled. And Web3 sign-in enabled गर्नु पर्दो रहेछ. Allowed in I update will configure to local CLI parity, but that does not change the hosted dashboard setting by itself. I haven't manually exercised the flow in the browser yet. Let's update the code base so that it always uses the local Docker local Superbase in Docker instance.
Cool.
त्यो गरे भने चाहिँ अहिले dashboard के अरे cloud मा connect भइदिन्छ के. Hello Dixit Nepane, hello Aayush Sharma, what's happening? के हुँदैछ न?
Twitter मा के भइरहेछ? How much are you paying for these AI tools in Nepal? We're paying same as everyone else. It's the same prices. It's not
$20, which ends too soon.
Beast tolerant Claude is very less, but beast tolerant Codex is still like okay. You can still build a whole program.
Mm.
But like if you're new in thing, you can apply for a grant for like AI credits on earn.
ए यता ट्विटरमा आएको यो चाहिँ
यो ट्विटरमा आयो चाहिँ मर्करी ट्विटरमा चाहिँ हाम्रो अलि नेपाली भन्दा बाहिर पनि क्राउड छ कि
आ, env.ts env.ts okay. Mm. Nice. It's actually updating all the upani.
Mm.
Mm. Interesting. I'm beginning to like Codex.
I think yeah, if you like make it very clear of how you want it to design, then it's good. Something I didn't like about Codex is the design itself. Like Claude ले चाहिँ naturally एकदम राम्रो गर्थ्यो.
Mm. What are we doing? Actually, there is error. There is error. Hydration failed. There is a hydration issue. यसलाई सिधै दिनुपर्छ यसले फिक्स गरिदिन्छ ब्रो There is a hydration error on the front end. This is the console log. Let's fix it. Wow, easy.
You
Pure
can
vibe
see
coding.
this message. Yeah, Mati Aayush Daile has written the own एउटा link. That's where you go and apply for AI credits. It's on superteam.fun. त्यो माथि एउटा उ छ link छ.
How to what about security of the system, bro? Look, security गर्न सकिन्छ, but we're not going to do that अहिले. We're just doing this for fun. Let's just make it functional. We're not gonna release it.
Twitter
Chill.
we're not writing a single line of code. Yes, we're
Yes.
not. We're trying to just vibe code the entire thing.
This is for fun, guys. Don't worry.
Okay, what is there? Vibe coding is just for fun, bro. Yup. I mean, it lets you do things funny. It's just not for fun. Like you can pretty much break MVPs very fast. You can validate hypothesis. It lets you do a lot of things. Just the fun matripan छैन.
This one's for fun, भने.
I know. उसले चाहिँ vibe coding is for fun भन्दैछ.
Yeah. Okay. No. Look, my new product is purely vibe coded, and I actually ask people to go and try and break it. Go and try and break it. It's okay.
Hey, you showed it yesterday, yeah. You showed it yesterday.
Yeah. Okay, we Phantom उ भइहाल्यो.
फेरि गयो screen.
कम गरौँ. फेरि गयो.
Is there a pattern? तपाईँले I think monitor change गर्दा भइरहेछ जस्तो.
No. त्यो त होइन.
Try like just screen sharing codex मात्र. The उ मात्रै.
त्यो गर्यो भने मैले के अरे रिजल्ट कसरी देखाउने?
फेरि गयो.
Huh. This is interesting. फेरि गरौँ है त. Did we find something? Did we find a bug? के त फेरि है अघि नै ठ्याक्कै यही बेला गर्थ्यो त यो गर्छु होइन म कन्फर्म गर्ने बित्तिकै जान्छ होला हेर म
Confirm.
यस
गएन.
ए होइन
गएन गाँसेन. No, it's not that.
disabled Web3 provider is disabled. Can you enable what's necessary in Superbase? नट हामी के अरे कोड नलेखिरह होइन हामी कन्फिगुरेसन समेत सबै एआईले गराउन लागिरहेको
डिबग पनि नगर्ने हो सिधै.
छौँ डुड आइ एम नट डुइङ एनिथिङ
Okay, or के छ अब? I'm trying to see the chat. If you guys want to like discuss ideas, we can do that, Bunny, while this is happening.
Yeah, you can send ideas. We'll put it once we're done with this.
So there's your Solana.new. You have option to validate ideas. So what it lets you do is like you can validate idea if it's relevant to build a startup out or not, and it's very good. Like ekdam extensively got only, so you can do that too.
Start rest with the old containers, so I'm waiting for the stop to finish and then I'll bring the stack back up cleanly. So
Okay.
let's see, where is हाम्रो dockers? सबै on छ त्यहाँ त.
Pump, very nice. Like, how many of you in the chat have heard about Solana before this, or Superteam, or this is your first time hearing about it, or any blockchain? Like, have you have experienced any blockchain using or building something on it?
Enabled, fully started the local Docker stack. Okay, so the auth service should actually pick up that setting. The local auth API is now back up. Please retype wallet sign-in flow now. Okay, let's try it.
Nice. Bye, carry. Sign into dashboard. Sorry. Nice. Did it work? Okay.
Oh, almost.
But I think हामीले भित्रको बनाएकै छैन र हैन कि बनाएको छ?
भित्रको बनाएकै छैन.
So ठीक छ त, it doesn't have a display name. I think it's fine.
Yeah. Dot display name छैन यताउति. Okay. State dot error. No, it still has errors. Sure. एउटा एरर नै आइरहेछ केही न केही. Let's see. Display name errors हैन. हाम्रो console हेरौँ, server console हेरौँ. यो के हो? What? हामी यहाँ के छ यो? Terminate होला. Display name errors. Okay, state.errors.display name. Okay. Just to make sure, the login flow works, but when redirect happens to dashboard/setup page, we are facing an error. Did we work on that part in this epic? Let's just be sure if we worked on it or not.
Yep.
Yeah, it was part of epic too. Okay.
Yeah, cool. Okay, we have background credits funny. Now we can do Modali. Was part of Epic 2. I don't have the exact runtime error yet. I found the brittle spot in the route. Use him as an error with find and its bubbles returns a different shape.
I have been following Harkirat Singh Rust course, so I heard Solana there first. Who is Harkirat Singh?
So Harkirat, funny, I think I give you reference. Funny, Harkirat is a big time tech influencer from India. So he runs a lot of like Web3 cohorts and Solana cohorts. Right now he does like a lot of Solana things. Harkirat Singh भन्ने हो.
Mm.
Okay, अझ चलेन. How are you guys? We are good, guys. How are you? Yes, heard of Solana before. So yeah, if you've heard of Solana, please go build for the hackathon. We have a $10,000 local track just for Nepali people. So yeah, trying to build something. This is me. We own 200k, sorry, 20k euro URC Solana in the competition. Oh, that's great. Nice. I didn't know that, bro. You seem like Nepali. That's insane. Why
We
don't I
own
know about it?
20K Euro Solana in the competition. Hey, own and won.
One, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Great going, Lakshman.
Yeah,
Send
why
me
don't
some
I
money.
know about this, bro? Like you should come to Subudi Nepal things built for other things. If you're based in
त्यत्रो
Nepal, of
पैसा
course.
रहेछ अलिकति मलाई पठाइदेऊ युरो के छ र
20k euro भने चाहिँ insane हो. That's 30 lakh अझ बेसी. Okay, your screen is gone again. Thanks. I'm based in
What the
Dortmund, Germany. Oh, okay. If you don't, there's Superteam Germany also, which does a lot of events in Germany. So if you get some time, you should visit them. Very cool ecosystem.
एकछिन है त I'll do something else. I'll try to do it in the screen one. Screen one. Let's screen. फेरि गयो
अब आयो फेरि आयो.
अब आयो Does it work?
So
No.
किन टाइप एरर आइरह्यो?
टाइप एरर होइन यो.
I think it said type error. Oh.
500 नै दिइरहेछ नि उसमा.
तपाईँको स्क्रिन फेरि गयो है?
फेरि गयो?
अँ.
What is this? ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? पक्का त. You're so gorgeous. यता कता गयो? I am सबै पुरै स्क्रिन नै त गरिरहेको छु मैले. Somehow it's going.
Anyways, coolness, guys. The work you are doing, all the best. Thanks for letting me know. I will check them out. Please, yeah. The student show is pretty cool. I have been doing just backend for the longest time. Been watching this blockchain stuff. Could never understand. Do you have any suggestion like how to plan that journey? If you've been doing backend, I think Teamroll learning pretty easier huncha, because a lot of blockchain code is like handling backend and backend instructions dini नै हो, similar. So what you can do is एउटा site छ blueshift.gg, blueshift.gg. There's a bunch of like foundational courses there. You can try it out and see how cool that goes.
हाम्रो API बाट नै एरर आइरहेछ.
I am seeing now what is happening. I think something I realized is Codex is not very good at debugging. मैले अस्ति एउटै एरर 4-5 चोटि दिनु पर्यो. तर आउनु चाहिँ अब ठ्याक्क भन्नु यति आयो रिसाएछ. फेरि गयो स्क्रिन. किन यस्तो भइरहेको यो त इरिटेटिङ भयो अब.
फेरि गयो. आदित्य एक लट गुगल हाने त के हो भनेर.
Why is StreamYard
Mm.
removing my screen share?
Yeah, screen share keeps dropping.
Unstable internet, browser permission issues, or where you are attempting to share from a mobile device which is not supported. They one sort of. I think it's cause of overall. It's cause of the overall, guys. Can remove that once. Right?
Get it?
Overlay बड़ा हो कि तर overlay बड़ा नहुनु पर्ने होला
So the known one. I mean, what's the point of using it at all?
त्यही त
Okay.
try removing the overlay once.
Okay, ले गऱ्यो यो चाहिँ हैन.
ठिक
Let's
छ
see it. Dashboard search. Aayush के भयो? A component is changing an uncontrolled input to be controlled. This is likely caused by the value changing from definition or okay. Let's fix it. What? Oh, yeah, fix on line. We have another issue
issue.
in the front end. Here is the error message. This happens when adding input to name field. No transact. Yeah, no transact.
Found it. I think the StreamYard को त overlay बडै हैन overlay त लेखेको छैन यहाँ it's browser permissions भन्छ. What browser are you supporting from? Arc बडै गरेर हो कि Chrome बडै गरेर हो? Maybe not.
Arc is pretty stable. Arc मा त समस्या नहुनु पर्ने.
Okay, मैले चाहिँ I think every time I used to stream from Chrome त्यस्तो issue त कहिले आएको थिएन. Okay, did it रहेछ.
PC specs कस्तो छ दाइ अरे? I'm in Mac, bro. MacBook M1 Pro.
M1 Pro, nice. With blockchain, what are the languages popular with blockchain? I know Java fluently and have worked heavily in Python backend and ML projects. I picked a bit of Rust here and there and have some personal projects. Solana मा चाहिँ native Rust लेखिन्छ contracts चाहिँ हैन, but there are more frameworks. Anchor भन्ने framework छ Rust को, which is integrated to Solana, so that makes your life much easier. But yeah, Rust though, if you can write Rust, there's nothing like that. That's the highest paying jobs, like people who write Solana contracts, who can write low latency systems in Rust. That's the most lucrative job. So yeah, if you can write Rust, just start building projects on Solana and try to build projects that have like native Rust in it. So that is DeFi protocols, that is like high frequency trading and all of that.
Okay, what is this? You के silly mistake गर्दा चाहिँ यसले React-मा? There is
A
no
component
warning.
changing and
No. You must ensure the input remains either controlled or uncontrolled. Initialize a state with a defined value, like an empty string instead of undefined. Safety tip: use a fallback. Uncontrolled input. Use this. What is controlled and uncontrolled input? What is controlled versus uncontrolled input in React? Whose value is managed by React state. It is considered the single source of truth for the form data. Uncontrolled भने चाहिँ यत्तिकै हालिदिएको. ओके, सो यसले के गरेछ यहाँनिर? भ्याल्युले यत्तिकै राख्दैछ.
कुन फाइलमा भइरहेको सर्च गर्नु पर्यो.
भ्याल्युज राख्दैछ फर्म स्टेटमै त छ नि, यो त कन्ट्रोल इनपुट त हो नि. लेट्स सी, ठिकै छ त. इट लुक्स गुड.
I think let's move on. यसले वार्निङ मात्रै दिइरहेछ नि अहिले हैन. सोलामरी यसले के गरेर क्रिएटर प्रोफाइल सेटअप भयो चाहिँ
होइन वी लग्ड इन होइन लग्ड इन गरिसकेपछि यु हेभ टु क्रिएट अ
ओके आयुष हु रिसिभिङ
रिसिभिङ
वालेट त्यो गोरु फ्यान्टम खोलिसक्यो हजुरको do password. So now, okay, so we need to change this into devnet now because we are doing a test environment. So the account one mathi left pati हेर्नु त त्यो left पछि थिच्नु होइन not there left मा त्यो PFE मा थिच्नु हो त्यसमा press on that go into settings तल 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 settings तल तल अझ तल अनि then go here in developer settings तल
developer settings
testnet mode. Okay,
Solana
ठीक छ
DevNet
no Solana devnet back अब back भयो
के DevNet र DevNet मा के फरक छ
So testnet is more of a validator things. Validator is like a test environment. So they run a local validator here. But हामीले चाहिँ deployed मै गरेर. So अब माथि account 1 मा जानु. अब this is your address. So copy that address and that's your devnet address. Receiving wallet.
create profile no
त्यही भइरहेछ. त्यही uncontrolled input भइरहेछ.
Okay. Weird. यति साह्रो हुँदैन so there are more existing issues in profile setup form. Firstly,
By Nepalma book my show जस्तो website कस्तो possibility छ. I think Khalti exists, right? That's pretty much does the same thing. So, you know.
No, there is still like it's not about the platform, it's about the business, right? Khalti is a wallet, it's not in the events business. So for there is definitely a big gap in event tech business. त्यो चाहिँ मैले एकदम देखिरहेको there's a couple of people doing it they're not tech people, they're not using their data properly. If there are good tech people, good sales people जम्मा हुने हो भने there is big market in events. मैले चाहिँ त्यो क्लियरली देखिरहेको छु. It's just that I don't
I think
have time.
मेरो टिकट भन्ने के छ हैन उसले पनि गरिरहेछ.
There's मेरो टिकट, there's ticket सञ्जाल, there's के गरिरा, there's events in Nepal टन्नै छ but none of them are doing well.
I think खल्तीले नै गरिरहेछ टिकटिङ त mostly all big events.
फेरि गयो.
Yep. There's something wrong.
We don't know.
Okay, guys, what do you think of the progress we've made so far? If you guys have any suggestions in UI,
happening every time we add something to the input. Also, create creator profile is not functional currently, throws error. Fix these issues and let's say do not stop until everything works properly. Okay, let's see if it does. If you are in Nepal, please visit the Book My Show website to see if there is any possibility fully based on event. फेरि गयो. बुक माई सो को के अरे टाइप बिजनेस को चाहिँ म उ दिन्छु के अरे पोसिबिलिटी देखाएको छ है धेरै. अनि when I don't mean just the website है. वेबसाइट त जसले पनि बनाइदिन्छ. It's the business part that's difficult.
अहिले there's a Zomato को district भन्ने छ नि. That's also doing pretty good. Do you think like अब something मैले सोध्न खोजिरहेको थिएँ when this Indian comics come नि हैन I think Aakash Gupta is coming next week अब do you think it's good for the comedy scene here or के भइरहेछ त्यसले Is it impacting in
Mm,
any sense? Ki ke bhairahcha?
very little, very little. Matlab, impact on it, there's a good impact for sure, but not as much as it can be. किनकि I don't know, it's uh, just and every time I bring बाहिरको comics, जस्तै उपमन्यु ल्याउँदाखेरि
Mhm.
whenever we worked with Akash Mehta. So whenever we bring bairako comic, we make sure that there is enough interaction in the with the local comics. We make sure that local comics get opening spot at least. हुन्छ नि केही न केही चाहिँ एक्सपोज होस् भनेर गर्छौँ. अब जस्तै आकाश
Mhm.
गुप्ताकोमा चाहिँ इट्स काइन्ड अफ द ट्राइङ इट बट एकदमै साइलोड अप्रोच छ
Okay.
अरू अर्गनाइजर्सहरूको चाहिँ.
Akash, the first time I discovered you was Akash Mehta's show. I was there. म आकाश मेहता एकदम मन गर्छ. So
काठमाडौँमै
yeah.
हो का?
प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठानमा.
आउँछु भन्दै थियो फेरि.
आकाश मेहता फेरि.
आकाश फेरि आउँछु त्यो भन्दै थियो.
Ani, does it make economic sense from an organizer perspective?
Yes, I mean ticket sales भयो भने त राम्रै आउँछ.
Nice.
Freeloaders back, our very own troll. What's up?
Freeloader.
Okay. के गर्यो this? Typing in display name no longer flips controller state. Creator proper now has real working submission path with proper error handling. Okay, let's try it. Let's try. हामी टेस्ट मोडमा छौँ हैन. आयुष
तपाईँको स्क्रिन देखेन.
स्क्रिन गयो. What is up with the screen?
Can we हजुरले overlay हटाउनु actually because Aditya is logged out.
Overlay? What overlay? There's no
तल
overlay.
आइरहेछ नि एउटा. No, there's something running banner.
यो हिजो पनि थिएन नि त. You know? हिजो पनि थिएन. So it's not because of that for sure. Wait. Oh, we did it! We did it!
Worked. La balla.
Hey, let's see. Hey, we have something.
But pretty cool actually.
I know, we just we can work on this later. Public page मा चाहिँ यो headset यताउति केही पनि नहुने अनि त्यसपछि we need a little bit of के अरे branding भन्न मिल्छ. Sure, for sure. But what this is my dashboard.
Yep, I think so. Okay, pretty much app भइसक्यो because you can tip, you can see a dashboard.
We have a dashboard. We can't pay अहिलेसम्म.
So payment integrate भएको छैन, but like UI works.
Yeah, but the we signed in with our wallet, and the creator also inserted their own wallet for receiving the payments.
So let's do one thing. So what we want to test. So let's DevNet Sol leram topegama. Go to a website called faucet.solana.com. Faucet, FAUCET.
Oh, faucet.solana.com.
Okay, so yeah, you can just wallet address, amount.
Hey, amount
ma 2.5 5 garau 5. 5 Sol. Confirm airdrop. I think it'll cloud verification. Connect. Okay, GitHub connect kar bana raha.
GitHub is required.
Yeah, apparently.
No. But then why?
Because I think हामीले 5 मागेर.
2.5 मात्र मागौँ न त के. एक मात्र
मागेर हेरौँ ल. 1 त आउँछ कि. ये गिटअप चाहिने नै रहेछ
I am an AI agent. अरे. Built for development. GitHub accounts are validated to ensure fair usage. Some accounts may not pass verification for other ways to get DevNet or check out. Okay, okay. ल म यता छ कि छैन. Is this it?
हैन जुन जुन गेटअप गरे नि हुन्छ
Hmm? टु फ्याक्टर केमा छ यार मेरो?
यसो गरौँ नभए पर्खिन ल म पठाउँछु तपाईँलाई
तिम्रोमा पठाउँदा म तिमीलाई पठाइदिइहाल्छु नि. Yes.
सेन्ड मी योर
This is fun.
मलाई एड्रेस पठाउनु या So this is for testing purposes. AirDrop, but you can actually like just okay ask for like testnet soul.
मैले तिमीलाई एड्रेस पठाएँ.
Got it. There was I might पठाइदिएँ. See?
अब रिफ्रेश हुनुपर्ने हो.
आउनुपर्ने हो. Solana 5 soul आइसक्यो ल. Nice.
खोइ.
तल Solana मा हेर्नु न 5 soul छ तपाईको.
Oh, hey, I have 5 souls. Yeah. Rich in world.
Rich in DevNet.
Okay. Now let's work on Epic 3 अब.
Yep.
Epic 0, Epic 1, Epic
3 मा के गर्दैछ एक्चुअली हेरौँ है यसले. Public tip page, make it possible.
I think everything works now. Update the backlog file so that Epic 2 is considered done. यति गरिसकेपछि we're ready for Epic 3. We have 5 epics, I think. We have 5 epics. Epic 2 सक्यो. Epic 3 public tip page and payment intent. Epic 4 wallet transfer submission flow and confirmation and minimal dashboard. Okay. And Epic 6 is end-to-end verification. Okay.
Cross Epic quality gates. Okay, we're done. Let's go.
Okay. Now we are ready for Epic 3A as mentioned in backlog.
Do it fast in one go.
No. पहिला के मिसिङ कुरा छ कि भनेर. Go through the tasks and if there are any gaps in knowledge or clarity, ask questions and then move on with the implementation. एक टेकमा त एक टेकमै गर्ने हो नि.
यसले पहिला हेर्नु पर्यो. I'm going to backlog the MD. Okay. Is there something in the chat? Hi guys. You're on. Hi Aayush. What up? Is Story Birdie making money?
Story Birdie is making some money.
What is Story Birdie?
Story Birdie is my product.
What does it do?
So Story Birdie is an AI tool for filmmakers. And by the way, this is actually entirely vibe coded. We kind of made it within 2 weeks. Me and
how much credits lage?
Not much, because we spent a lot of time in planning. अनि त्यसले गर्दाखेरि I don't know, like maybe 10k.
10k rupees?
10,000 rupees maybe. तर only because it involves a lot of image generation. That
makes sense.
So this is यता filmmaking मा चाहिँ there is a concept called storyboarding, right?
Yeah.
So it is kind of a prototype of a film before we actually go to the shooting floor.
Got it.
So this just does that with AI. You upload your screenplay and it makes storyboards for you.
Pretty cool. यसमै Solana integrate गर्नुपर्छ जस्तो. Tipping.
Maybe.
have enough context to start building. Okay.
Okay, it's writing code already.
Okay.
So Storyboardy is making some money. There is a little bit of MRR. I won't say that it's a great, but it's slowly rising. अनि भर्खर 2 महिना त भयो लन्च गरेको, and we have a lot to do त्यहाँ.
So are you gonna focus on that? कि अहिले बनाएर छोड्दै आओ?
I know, I'm working on it, working on GTM side of it.
Yeah. But what do you think is good TGO? Is it like Nepali people outside? What do you think?
बाहिरकै मान्छेहरू like filmmakers, production houses, ad agencies, indie
Mhm.
filmmakers.
That's true. Are you submitting the project for Solana Hackathon? Maybe if we have a good project, we'll ask Ayush to submit it for the $10,000 prize pool.
The validator already rejected it, bro. I don't think we should do anything with it.
के भयो ल? Solmari DevNet. But what do you guys think about the name? Solamari Mari भनेको चाहिँ के हो?
No idea.
I
I
thought
just
it's
like
a I thought it was a Nevari term.
could be. I don't know.
Nice. Okay, what's happening in Twitter? Hi guys. Who's here? We are streaming live and building a tipping platform on Solana for creators. And this is where we've gone now. So you can actually just tip Ayush like
Kind of
this.
working. It's kind of working.
It is working. अब यसले just transaction मात्रै गर्न बाँकी छ अब.
अनि मैले मेरै उले के भन्छ मेरै वालेटले मैले नै पठाउन मिल्छ?
मिल्दैन. That's why we have to create one more wallet.
Mm.
तर त्यसमै एड गर्नु मिल्छ. वालेट क्रिएट गर्नु परेन, अकाउन्ट मात्रै क्रिएट गर्नु पर्यो. You can actually do that, like open Phantom once.
Can I have multiple accounts?
Yeah. If you open Phantom and go to left ko त्यो अघिकोमा and press on plus तल. So add an account and create a new account. That's it. Just like यसलाई tipping यसलाई अरु के भनेर create.
Tipping.
So that's it.
The rich Aayush. हैन कहाँ रिच आयुष? यो त रिसिभिङ आयुष हैन? अघि मैले दुईटैमा युज गर्दै.
ठीक छ, जहाँबाट पठाउने हो त्यहाँ हाल्दिउँला नि, के भयो?
The rich Aayush.
So yeah. So यसले एउटाबाट पठाउँछ.
यसमा चाहियो नि त तर.
So go there, go account one. त्यहाँ गएर send थिचौँ. Solana अनि रिसिभर्स एड्रेसमा हालौँ. अनि अकाउन्टमा अब जति म्याक्स हाले नि भयो. 3 सोल पठाइदिउँ. 3 सोल.
Send.
Gone.
Close. Now.
So tippingमा पनि 2-3 सोल छ ल. Lock, we're all set now.
Yes. Gorille. के गर्यो? मायाले can't resolve profile.js slug schema. के कस्तो stupid mistake गरेको bro? किन त? You're out of codex messages.
No, we have credits though. Action है त.
Your relativity resets on April 27, 12:38 a.m.
No, we have credits. Action. We have credits. So settings it should like equivalent to minimum 1.5 credit be purchased. खै हामीसँग credits छ त किन युज नगरेर अहिले? Wait. त्यहाँ credits add credits भन्ने थिचौ त के भन्दा रहेछ? We already have credits though. Weekly usage limit.
यो को?
किन?
यो त मेरो.
You're using your codex अघिदेखि? No.
I don't. Log out. मैले तिमीहरूकै युज गरेर लगाएको थियो त
त्यही होइन हाम्रै सक्यो हामीले क्रेडिट्स पनि हालिसकेको छ त
हिजो नि त्यो भएको वेट यो यसैमा हो नि होइन
हो हो इट्स showing me the 1000 credits remaining भनेर but wait
ओटिपी हाले ओटिपी पठाउ त
इमेलमा did you send it in email
email okay send to email
okay your authentication okay I sent you on WhatsApp yep Mari in roti in Nevari language Ronak Ray. Oh thanks Adesh thank you for the information
oh yes त्यो त थाहा थियो त मलाई मैले किन why did I not ये तो पता था मेरे को okay let's see
Ayo
it still says my rate limit is gone
you're out of codex messages किन भनेर credits use गर्न नमिलिरहेको हामीले rate limits remaining learn more what is codex
कुनमा wait it is still showing मेरो के अरे मेरो अकाउन्ट अनि तर यहाँ त उनी छ
go to usage त्यहाँ usage मा जानु त it is showing 1000 credits remaining आइरहेछ त तल ए so किन यो auto relate credits minimum auto top up triggers when your credit balance goes to this amount हैन यो त चाहिएन हामीलाई बट यसले credits use चाहिँ किन नगरेर भन्ने कुरा हो do we have to like say to use credits एकैछिन है त
use it's working kind of अघि बिचमा अड्के जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई
हो र it's working again
ठिकै छ त 5 hour 0% weekly 40%
ए चलिरहेछ ल गुड
झुक्यो मुलो
या क्रेडिट्स रिड्युस गर्दैछ उसले ठिकै हो ल
I convert the main remaining gap is bookkeeping and verification depth. The build surface a real compatibility issue. The just import suffix I used to say okay something. Ayo.
Okay. Mari is roti in Nevari. Okay, what's happening in the chat? सबजना हेरिराहो कि नहेरिराहो
There are I think there are 30 people watching right now. सबजना एकचोटि आइ भन्दिम
सुत्दै हो क्या सबजना is everyone asleep
full building matrix now including the okay it's build now is healthy cleaner fix here which is the cleaner fix here test हान्दैछ पुरै
nice
message जीले बेटा टिप्पो so मैले create payment intent गरे भने के हुन्छ does it work
payment nice अब
payment intent has been created हैन अब मैले के गर्नुपर्छ कहाँ हुन्छ
create payment intent यसले wallet trigger गर्नुपर्ने हो wallet trigger एकचोटि त्यो थिचाउ न create मा फेरि त्यो थिच्यो नि के हुन्छ तल wallet transfer चाहिँ बल्ल अब स्टार्ट हुन्छ अरे, बट इट इज नट इन्टिग्रेटेड वालेट कनेक्टर्स छ, एक्चुअल ट्रान्जेक्सन चाहिँ उ
अँ,
गरेर छैन अहिले।
त्यो पछिको लागि हो।
बट या इन्टेन्ट चाहिँ क्रिएट गर्यो अहिले, बट दिस स्टेप वाज नट नेसेसरी अनेस्टली, थिच्ने बित्तिकै सिधै वालेट ट्रिगर गर्नुपर्ने हो।
ओके हैन।
ठिकै छ,
So
लेट्स मुभ।
before moving on, I have one question. Is it why are we creating a payment intent instead of triggering the wallet directly? Let's see के हुन्छ ले. Creating the payment server-side source of truth before the user ever signs anything. You know, without that record, the wallet transfer would just an on-chain payment. It's correct. हाम्रो सर्भरमा राख्नको लागि.
मेक सेन्स।
Okay, let's go look at backlog हैन. Epic 2, Epic 3 is done हैन.
Hello, non-coder here.
Tried and
Unknown.
I created a payment intent. It looks like it was created successfully. Verify and check off everything in Epic 3. Turn existing pending payment intent into a submitted on-chain template soul transfer testable auto supporter can connect to wallet from always
तपाईँको स्क्रिन गयो।
गयो. What is this? Epic 4 मा रहेछ एक्चुअल ट्रान्सफर चाहिँ.
ठिक छ, लेट्स डु इट। अब 10:30 भइसक्यो साममा।
ओके, एपिक 4 र एपिक 5 एकैचोटि सकाइदिनु पर्छ क्या?
जाओस् के गर्दो रहेछ, जाओस्।
एकछिन त एपिक 4 मा वालेट ट्रान्सफर हो फर श्योर हैन.
सिमिलर काम नै छ, 5 मा उले जस्ट अथेन्टिकेट गरेर अरु के
कन्फर्मेसन एन्ड मिनिमल ड्याशबोर्ड. यस, आई थिंक वी कैन डू बोथ.
इट्स उले जस्ट इट लिसन्स टु ट्रान्ज्याक्सन अनि ड्याशबोर्डमा हाल्दिने मात्रै हो कि.
Let's do Epic 5 and Epic 6 at the same time.
4 and 5 होला नि, 5 and 6 हो.
5 and 4 and 5, sorry. Keep forgetting 4 and Epic 5 at the same time as mentioned in backlog. Before starting, make sure you have everything necessary to start. Ask any questions if necessary. हैन के गर्यो यसले गर्यो यसला के भयो
इम्प्लिमेन्ट भइसक्यो.
Okay. Okay, we could be done by the end of this chat.
Let's go.
नेपाल भित्र कम्पिटिसन कस्तो छ अरे?
नेपाल भित्र कम्पिटिसन राम्रो छ. This time along there is very good projects, but with that said, the $15,000 is like $10,000 कसरी डिस्ट्रिब्युट भएको छ भने टप 10 ले 6,000 पाउँछ, हैन सरी टप 10 ले 9,000 मा डिस्ट्रिब्युट छ, but then there's 10 teams who will get $100 each. So that is like, let's say 60 teams participate, then at least 20 teams get $100. So that's pretty good in terms of odds. So even if you're a beginner, you can bytecode something very fun, and that idea ramro cha bhane you have a very good chance of winning. So you just need to focus on the idea, as far I believe. Okay, के गर्दैछ अहिले? If you get अब hackathon specific questions छ भने भन्दै जाउँ. स्क्रिन कता अरे? स्क्रिन छैन र? छ अहिले त छ.
पेन्डिङ इन्टेन्समा देखिनु पर्ने हैन?
पेन्डिङ इन्टेन्समा के चाहिँ?
ड्याशबोर्डमा अहिले उ गरेछ हैन?
ड्याशबोर्डमा हालेको छैन अहिले. अब गर्दैछ अहिले. Do you want to के भन्दैछ? Check whether the local supervisor sugar is running so I can verify book and fire to end. Yes. Don't ask again for Govindim.
What is this new mode, Ekasi?
के गर्दैछ ए न्यू
एकछिन है त फुल एक्सेस दिएँ मैले ल जीले अपनी जिन्दगी फुल ट्रस्ट ब्रो फुल ट्रस्ट
सो यस्तो रहेछ उसले हिजो हामीले हेरेको थियौँ नि एनपिएम भ्यूले चाहिँ के गर्ने रहेछ भने इट जस्ट चेक्स फर द प्याकेजेस रहेछ कि
That's not necessary.
Yeah, but like it just tries to understand like what is it in the package my kids have before like installing or using any of it. So
Is it in build with Claude skill नै?
I think Codex को 5.5 मै छ जस्तो.
Hey, we don't have Helios को उहरु.
ए Helios RPCs छैन है हामीसँग. Okay, let's set it up actually. के भन्नेले Helios माग्यो?
हैन. अहिले Helios web get confirmation भनेछ हो.
जाउँ ल त्यति बेलासम्म हामी Helios गर्दै जाउँ. Go into Google and search Helios.
So what does Helios do exactly?
So Helios is the best RPC provider on Solana. RPC भनेको that is what lets you connect to the Solana blockchain. And it also has a bunch of like the webhooks, so you can listen to transactions. Indexer bans Helios ko, so you can like index all the Solana transaction that is happening right now and take insights from it. So that is all what Helios lets you do it. And it's also the biggest validator on Solana. So again, मैले जुन हिजो data centers भनेको थिएँ नि. So Helios ले पनि आफ्नो data center run गर्छ, so it validates transaction on Solana पनि. Pretty big company.
Okay.
Pays employees very good. So
how do you know?
Because I have friends working there. So
okay, we need API.
RPC मा जाम free मै जाम हामी free मा API keys जाउँ devnet को लिए हुन्छ हामीले RPC URL ठीक छ
यही हो
यो mainnet को हो यो त्यो माथि mainnet लाई devnet गर्नु त त्यहाँ toggle छ नि या
गर्यो okay
yeah that is the RPC URL या
RPC URL
हामीले ENV मा हाल्नु पर्छ ल
कहाँ गयो मेरो यहाँ छ I don't want to put it here एकछिन है त ENV फाइल त नदेखाऊ ENV फाइलमा Helios यसमा Helios API कि webhook auth secret खोजिरहेछ यो
webhook मा जाऊ
भनेको API कि हो र हैन
ओ API की पनि छ होला तल त्यही तपाईले अघि जहाँ हेरेको थियो त्यही नै API की पनि छ होला
API की त यता छ हैन एकछिन है त फेरि गयो
स्क्रिन चाहिँ गयो
okay API key is this one right
फेरि गयो स्क्रिन
what the hell what the hell's happening my boy
I think केही सिक्रेट कुराहरु रिभिल गर्न खोजेसी हटाउँछ क्या अहिले लाइक शो गर्नु त एकचोटी शो API की गरौँ त
नाइ ओके के अरे यो API की हो हैन मैले API की
चाहिँ हो एकछिन API की devnet को हेर
यो के गर्नुपर्छ devnet गर्नुपर्छ
पर्दैन API की चाहिँ ओभर थन्डर फिट जुन लिए नि हुन्छ होला
हैन अनि
RPCs मा चाहिँ RPC URL पनि चाहिन्छ हामीलाई चाहिदैन र webhooks तल त्यो RPCs को तल webhooks sender को तल
नदेखिला webhooks
new webhook गर्ने
लोकल होस्टमा पठाउन मिल्छ यसले
devnet मिल्छ enhanced ठिकै छ webhook URL कुन हो यो transaction type छ नि webhook URL
host 3000
start with HTTPS
are not allowed
oh shit
कसरी गर्छ
I think let's ask ChatGPT नै कसरी गर्ने हो भनेर
how do I set Helios
webhook for localhost
to set up you must create a publicly reachable HTTPS URL to मिल्दैन रहेछ
I think त्यो युज गर्नुपर्छ एउटा त्यो छ नि जसले localhost लाई चेन्ज गर्छ
NG rock.
NG-Rock.
NG rock
Yeah.
चाहिन्छ
चाहिन्छ हस्
लेट्स सी हामी कहाँ पुग्यौँ
आई थिङ्क इएनबीमा यसले हिलियस हालिसकेको छ हो
इएनभीमा त हालिसकेको छ इएनभीमा हिलेस एपिआई कि राखिदिइसकेँ मैले अब वेब हुक अथ सिक्रेट चाहिएछ अरे अब यसको एउटा
क्रिएट
secret
गरेपछि अब होइन यो क्रिएट गरेपछि बल्ल हुन्छ होला सो NG-Rock हामीले हाल्नु पर्यो
एनजी रक थियो त होइन
HTTP 3000 आयो
के भयो
माथि आयो त
होइन अथेन्टिकेसन फिल्ड
NG-Rock लग्ड इन छैन
होइन के थियो एनजी रक कन्फिग लगइन
टेप HTTP टनल
लगइन छैन
लगइन छैन NG-Rock मात्रै भन्नु न अहिले के हुन्छ auth how to log in NG-Rock
कन्फिग छ एचटिपी छ टिसिपी छ टनल छ लगइन छैन यसको कसरी हो
म हेर्दैछु ngrok dashboard bash config add auth token एड गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ
धेरै भयो मैले एनजी रक युज नगरे एनजी रकको ल्यान्डिङ पेज समेत ऊ भइसकेछ त भाइब कोडेड भइसक्यो भाइब कोडेड भइसकेछ नि
create account yes
Create account?
I accept
I had an account. What the fuck happened?
screen कता ए अघि के हो यो खै छ chat what's happening chat hello non coder here
What the hell
you expose the local host to HTTPS and then point to it रे you expose the local host to HTTPS and then point to it रे त्यसरी गर्न मिल्छ रे Ashim says that
Oh, that's basically NG Rock.
yeah Hi Ashim what's up what are you building for the Frontier Hackathon
के भयो यो त लगिनै हुँदैन त त्यसका बाजेको र छ ओके
तपाईको स्क्रिन पनि छैन है
छैन ओके त देखाउनु हुन्थेन तर देखाइदिहाले NG Rock HTTP 3000
yep let's go
भएन अझै के भयो
के भन्दैछ तपाईको देखिरहेछ टर्मिनल इफ यु राइडिङ इन टर्मिनल
अथेन्टिकेसन फेल्ड भन्दैछ अझै पनि
त्यो मैले सर्च गर्दा चाहिँ इट्स NG-Rock config add auth token अनि your auth token
त्यो मैले गरेँ
भएन के हेरेर आयो त फेरि अथेन्टिकेसन सेभ टु भयो त सेभ भन्दैछ त 3000 वर्क त भएन फेरि हेरेर आएन
sometimes it just is this no it is too old
NG-Rock
फेरि गयो
स्क्रिन गयो किन हेऱ्यो दिस इज सरप्राइजिङ
कहाँ यो त एकै ठाउँमा अड्क्यो त के भयो
के भयो
टाइप इन्टेन्सिभ
Oh,
सेट ग्रिन आफ्टर 39 सेकेन्ड्स के गर्दैछ अहिले एनपिएम रन बिल्ड गर्छ एनपिएम रन बिल्ड किन गर्दैछ यो अहिले गर्नु
screen
नदिँदा
screen go. Brew install ngrok रे
डु यु वान्ट मी
ngrok
टु
config add or token त्यही नै गरेको यार add token or token नै गरेर अब हामी
नो निड टु बिल्ड एट द moment move
moment just
to
move
the
on
next step
next step brew
ngrok
install ngrok गरिसक्यो यार हामीले ngrok के पुरानो भर्जन छ क्या फेरि इन्स्टल गर्नु
मेरोमा
पर्दैन
पुरानो भर्सन थियो त्यही भएर ए सकायो यसले what the hell
सकाउन आँट्यो 4 मा छ अब आई एम मुभिङ टु द रन टाइम नेक्स्ट स्टेप रे ठिक छ आमामा 1700 लाइन्स अफ कोड लेखेर यसले
टन्नै लेखिस त I've converted the local address input is available, so I'm playing the webhook migration directly. Yes. Database migration गर्यो
pretty cool भन्दै सक्यो अलमोस्ट हाम्रो अब
Yeah.
तपाईको स्क्रिन गयो
गयो फेरि
ढुक्क तपाईको क्यामेरा पनि गयो अब चाहिँ
What the hell? के अरे StreamYard ह्याङ भयो मेरो
ल
I think I have too many browsers going on.
M1 Pro ले धानेन अब गाह्रो भयो उसलाई guys in the chat what's up हामीले Solana program बनाइरा हो you can see we are building it entirely by coding it using solana.new so if you want to build something for the hackathon and compete for a 15 lakh prize pool the biggest hackathon in Nepal please do तपाईको स्क्रिन पनि अड्क्यो मुख पनि अड्क्यो
आर्क के अरे उ भयो मेरो के भन्छ
के चाहिँ
आर्क गन
ए आर्क गन सो मैले भनिरहेको थिएँ नि आर्ककै प्रब्लम हो कि त्यो it's a browser problem
होइन I have too many things going on at the moment त्यही भएर पनि हो
Okay, so guys, while Aayush is figuring it out, bro, on-chain polymarket बनाउने Solana कहाँ tipping platform बनाएको? On-chain polymarket itself is on-chain. के को on-chain polymarket? But yeah, we just wanted to build something simple that we can finish in a stream. On-chain polymarket is already on-chain. I don't know what you're saying, but yeah, prediction market is a great industry. You can build a bunch of things under prediction market. Like someone from Nepal is building AI agents for niche prediction markets. So what that means is तिम्रो एउटा एजेन्ट छ जसले चाहिँ स्पोर्ट्सको पनि क्रिकेटमा मात्रै उसले like ट्रेड गर्छ and it just keeps getting better at that niche itself. And then there's a marketplace for AI agents where you can like buy niche AI agents and you can trade on that and you can like add your attributes to it and उसले तिम्रो pattern पनि सिक्दै जान्छ. It gets better at very niche things. So that is a team that is building it and it's pretty crazy. ब्रो यसो प्रोजेक्ट रिभ्यू वाला स्ट्रिम गर्नु पर्यो हुन्छ गरौँ न probably we'll do it we can do it actually next week if you guys have projects ready we can do project review live streams
so मेरो arc is gone it's not doing anything हैन
okay
so I have to restart my browser which means that I might like it might go off
oh Action. Let's do one thing. I think if Aditya logs in, you can still. Aditya, can you like log in? Aditya, कहाँ छ? पर्खिनमा message गर्छु. Aditya, log in, please.
Aditya login गरेर अनि
he can make the. I'm already in logged in. Okay, so तपाईँले गर्न मिल्छ.
है म यताबाट हटाइदिए त.
Let's see if it goes or not, guys. Let's see if we're still gonna be live or not. Are we still live? Are we still live? We are still live? Yeah, we are live. Guys, are we live? Hello, hello. Koda, koda. Some are we live? Some. Live some, live some. Nice, guys. Look, I'm a stream going on then. Koda, koda. Fully on chain. It's not totally on chain. Yeah, like, but that's how it is. Like, Kolshi is the biggest prediction market in terms of volume right now. It makes 100 million of revenue monthly, I think. I know. So that is also not fully on chain. But not everything, not it doesn't need to be fully on chain if it's not important, Nita. Key part on chain Rakni, the key off chain Rakni is also a very important architecture decision you need to take. You need to optimize for rent, you need to optimize for cost, all these things, right? So yeah. Mamatri live stream अहिले. So it's a decision you should take, like, and it's an important decision. So Sabe, like, just because it's a blockchain product, that doesn't mean it needs to be fully on chain. If it doesn't make sense to make on chain, it doesn't need to be. I think Aditya, till then we can like just show how to register. Can you put on my screen? If you put on my screen, I'll just is my screen on the stream? Yeah. So guys, everyone who's watching and wants to participate in the hackathon, it is running from April 6th to May 11th. So May 11th, Hamro May 12 so is the deadline of the submission. There's prize pool of $300,000 thing yahi tha. That is grand champion of $30,000, 10,000 public good award. So you're different track. And best is university award. So if you're a university student, you get to compete for another $10,000 prize pool. And there's $200,000 prize pool here. And the best part is you can go here, register from here. यसरी खुल्छ arena.colosseum.org भन्ने खुल्छ अनि यहाँबाट गएर रेजिस्टर गर्ने. सो यहाँ स्टेज 1 स्टेज 2 भन्ने भइसक्यो होइन. What you can see is यहाँ you can see पहिलाको प्रोजेक्ट्सहरू who won, what type of submission they had. You can actually see all of that from here. And the best part is just not this. हामीले नेपाल एक्सक्लुसिभ भनेर we have a $10,000. So यहाँ हेर है, there's a 400 almost close to $400,000 of side tracks. Side tracks भनेको चाहिँ मेन प्राइज पुल भन्दा छुट्टै साइड ट्र्याक हो कि. अनि साइड ट्र्याक चाहिँ के राम्रो हुन्छ भने साइड ट्र्याकमा इट्स always gonna be less competitive and more. Like this has $50,000. It's gonna be way less competitive. This has 20,000. It's gonna be way less competitive. Right now it has only 20 submissions, so you're only competing with 20 projects, right? And हामीसँग चाहिँ एउटा we've also announced something called Superteam Nepal track. So it's just for, like, you can see it's just for Nepali people. And there's a $10,000 in prize pool for this. So it's 3,000, 2,000, 1,000, 750, 750. And we have prizes all the way till 20 positions. So what that means is even if you have a good idea, and you vibe code it, you can still win $100. That is 15,000 rupiah, not bad. And यहाँ सबै चाहिने सबै इन्फर्मेसन सबै कुरा यहाँ छ होइन. बिल स्टेशन्स हामीले गरेको स्टार्टअप भिलेज सबै कुरा छ. So what are the initiatives we're doing is also pretty cool. Like we're doing a build station अहिले काठमाडौँमा जहाँ चाहिँ people from Kathmandu can come, and like we have booked a whole co-working space, food and everything, where they can come दिनभरि काम गर्छन् अनि everyone works together. We have circles, we have workshops, we have mentors working in. And another crazy part is if you go into this Luma, there's a startup village Pokhara that is coming up. Startup village Pokhara is very insane. So startup village पोखरामा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने also हामीले 8 जनालाई मात्रै एक्सेप्ट गरिरहेको छ यहाँ. We have close to 60 applications. You have a fully booked and funded 1 week villa in Pokhara where we're taking 20 people, 23 people in total, where you're gonna build your frontier project with all these incredible best teams from Nepal. Fully funded villa, 1 week in Pokhara, and we sponsor everything. So yeah, you can see like what you can expect: accommodation, breakfast, workstations, top quality peer game, and it's in a very good villa. We've already finalized everything. So these are the things we're doing. Uh, the
Okay, I'm back.
register. Okay, yeah, you're back. Nice.
I am back. I know. And it says that it has done everything.
Nice.
I know. It has done everything. Tara, what's happening is मेरो phantom wallet खुलिरहेन.
दाइमा मोडलिङ गर्दैछु इन्टरनेसनलको लागि भोटिङ राउन्ड जित्नु पर्छ भोट चाहिँ लाइक कमेन्ट अनि रिपोस्ट गर्न
What?
नथिङ समन्स प्रमोटिङ
Okay. So हामी यहाँ छौँ होइन?
यस
So apparently it has done everything.
ओके लेट्स टेस्ट
होइन? Apparently it has done everything. म हिलियसमा गएर
वेब बुक्स बनाऊ अब
के भयो वेबबुक्सलाई कहाँ हरायो? What?
होम
एक्कासी कहाँ?
ड्यासबोर्डमा फ्रीमै गरौँ स्टार्ट बिल्डिङ क्रिएटिङ योर प्रोजेक्ट ठिक छ वेब बुक्स
न्यू वेबहुक
डेभनेट
एनी
वेब बुक युआरएल चाहिँ अब चल्यो एनजिरक नाइस नाइस
यो गर्यो स्ल्यास वेबहुक स्ल्यास हिलियस छ क्या अरे स्ल्यास वेबहुक स्ल्यास एपिआई वेबहुक हिलियस
स्ल्यास एपिआई स्ल्यास वेबहुक स्ल्यास हिलियस हो
स्ल्यास एपिआई वेबहुक स्ल्यास हिलियस
ऑथेंटिकेशन एटेंड सारे के
के हो इन्टरनेट confirm
you should confirm at least one add like manage addresses just add के गर्ने हो नो एड्रेस फाउन्ड अकाउन्ट एड्रेसमा गएर त के भनेको छ त्यहाँ add up to 25 you can add up to 100,000
using our API
just use like हाम्रो एड्रेस होला अकाउन्ट एड्रेस let's just check त्यो अहिले यहाँ सोलानाको यो आई थिंक त्यो माथि वाला गरौँ
यो डेमनेट वाला
अर्को अकाउन्ट यसबाट हामीले टिप गर्न आँट्यो नि त हैन यो वाला ट्राई गरौँ
यो वाला
add गरेन हामीले
ए
ओके कन्फर्म के दिन्छ अहिले दियो
ओके दियो नाउ
एडिट हैन
डोन्ट आई नीड अ auth secret
के चाहिँदैन के थियो चाहिन्छ के अरे एकचोटि राइटमा हेरौँ त के थियो टेस्ट वेबबुक फ्यू लग्स टेस्ट वेबबुक कसरी गर्ने वेबबुक टेस्ट सेन्ड सक्सेसफुली रे व्हाट इज इट
मैले यहाँ हेर्छु आयो
हामीले सिक्रेट की चाहियो नि त हामीलाई हैन सिक्रेट की कहाँ छ कि युआरएल भइरहेको छ
where is the secret key यो हो र हैन अनि accounts enhance devnets
एक्चुअली यहाँ हाम्रो ENB मा के मागिरहेछ अहिले Can you IT professional also? Yeah. Any IT professional. There's no age limit. There's nothing. Anyone can participate. You just need to be a Nepali person. That's it. Or living in Nepal.
Where do I get from Helios dashboard? Webbook auth secret. It's okay.
Webbooks gayo, add webbook gayo.
In the webbook configuration mode, look at authentication header field. Enter your desired auth secret in this field. Hey, yes, my random auth secret डालने रही है, bro.
Crazy.
Some auth secret. Hello.
Okay. Zaus, and let's test. Excited. It's also here.
Test webbook.
Test
200. 200 देख भाई. आ गया 200. Okay, let's test करने हैं तो.
चलो Zaus.
अच्छा, so we are going to the rich Aayush.
What are we doing here? We are building a tipping platform on Solana for creators where creators can register themselves as creators and everyone else can like tip them using Solana. Join beta, create payment. अब फेरि create payment. त्यही हो त्यो तल फेरि गर्नुपर्छ.
You connect गर्नुपर्छ.
आफै गर्छ होला navigate. Send devnet soul tip. सबमिसन फेल्ड कनेक्ट गरौँ अब यसले कनेक्ट गर भन्छ ठिक छ
Correct.
अब
Okay.
सेन्ड गरौँ वालेट सिग्नेचर वाउ नाइस कति कति हालेर हामीले
Zero
ठिक छ
point.
कन्फर्म गरौँ केही छैन के भयो सिग्नेचर रिसिभ नाइस सबमिटेड अन डेभनेट
Hey,
कन्फर्म द वेबबुक म्याच एन्ड रेडी फर क्रिएटर ड्यासबोर्ड रे के भयो पठायो ए पठायो 2.94 भयो हामीले 0.05 साल पठायो नाइस यसकोमा आयो 1.992 भयो त्यसकोमा
yeah,
ठिक नाइस आयो
got it. We did it.
got it ड्यासबोर्डमा रिफ्लेक्ट भयो
Hey,
Whoa! Works.
we did it. We did it.
So just buy me a coffee. Buy me a coffee, yes, but इसको eventual plans it would be like to have an extension where every time they're live streaming, they in 10 hours
Mhm.
more than a buy me a coffee. But yeah,
Verified the functionalities.
based in blockchain, yeah, it's based in Solana. Yeah, Solana blockchain.
We can update the backlog to complete these epics. Okay, we're done. अब के गर्नु त
सक्यो अब के छ हाम्रो इपक 5 मा थियो चाहिँ के 6 कि 6 मा छ चाहिँ के एपिक 6 मा छ चाहिँ के
मा हेरौँ है त जस्ट पोलिसिङ अफ कुराहरू मात्रै हो त्यसमा चाहिँ
Well, let's ask people what more features can we add. I think core functionality त भयो
यसमा चाहिँ
ठिकै छ
a creator can complete onboarding from a fresh account. A supporter can open the public page and send a DevNet Soul tip. The creator receives funds directly in their wallet. Add a short manual verification checklist. Run the full creator onboarding flow, full supporter tip flow, verify if recipient wallet.
I think it's just testing. खासै केही छैन यसमा
Verification मात्र रहेछ यसमा. We can.
Okay. What is the chat saying? Do we want to add something?
The chat. के गर्ने अब?
Is the application deadline reached? No, the application deadline is till 11th of May. So you have pretty much 15-16 days still. So shouldn't be a problem. Like it creates some sort of extension. So let's say when you are live streaming, it just comes in your Mathi.
Extension no Chrome. I'm traumatized by Chrome extensions. It's looks simple is not simple. I'm okay. No, guys, bro. I think we're done.
Yeah.
This is good. सुरुमा अलिकति
Let's test the flow. Yeah, let's test the whole flow एकचोटि कस्तो छ भनेर देखाइदिउँ
यो क्रोम भएन लेट्स स्टार्ट अनदर ब्राउजरमा है त
ओके
डियामा सुरु गर्दिउँ एउटा हैन कता गयो न local host
can we push to Vercel maybe
Vercel I don't think this is good for Vercel like there are a lot of के भन्छ त्यसलाई हामीले धेरै कुरा ओभरलुक गरेका छौं हैन अनि गिट पनि गरेका छैन बट लाइक फर नाउ
डेभनेटमा छ डेभनेटमा भयो भने त खासै के लाइक इट्स नट नो मनी इज इन्भल्भड सो पीपल क्यान एट लिस्ट युज इट
या त्यो त डेफिनेटली गिटै हाले छैन गिट गर्दिम न त गिट सेटअप गर्दिम
एउटा के त्यसलाई यसले आफै गरिदिन्छ भर्चुअल जस्ट गिभ इट सीएलआई इल जस्ट डिप्लोय इट एकमा गरिदिन्छ
खै त अहिले मसँग उ छैन जिएच छैन मैले उने गर्नुपर्छ
ए ओके
a few things that I don't allow AI to do
to push things in your GitHub त्यही हो
या हैन पुश चाहिँ गर्दिन्छु म पिआरहरु चाहिँ क्रिएट गर्दिन्न
ठिकै हो मेक सेन्स मैले त फुल भर्चुअल एक्सेस दिइराछु उसले डिप्लोय नै हान्दिन्छ Okay guys, in the chat के भन्दैछ कसले based in blockchain can I get some information on the process or requirements for startup village pokhara I'll drop it in the chat let me drop the link in the chat actually, please, everyone who's watching, go and like follow us in any of the socials, like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever. We always drop links, always there. Discord हो, मेन चाहिँ डिस्कर्डमा गरे हुन्छ होइन, त्यो सबैको लिङ्क म कसरी लिङ्क हजुरले मलाई मड बनाऊ न, सो आई क्यान एड लिङ्क्स. Can you make me a mod? Yo, hi, Ramakraj on here.
I have created a repo on GitHub. Push this code base to GitHub. I would like to deploy it now.
This is the startup village को Luma, त्यो bracket भित्रको copy paste गरेर it will open the Luma. अनि हाम्रो Discord को link पनि दिन्छु है म. I'll give you the के भन्छ त्यसलाई, link tree. So follow us on our Discord and everything. त्यहाँ सबैजना त्यही हुन्छ हाम्रो. Yeah, that's the link tree also.
Gitignore file बनाएको छैन होला है?
छैन नि, गिटनोरमा हाल्नु पर्यो नि यसलाई सबै ENV हरु त.
बनाइदिनु Gitignore.
बनाउनु पर्ने हो, आफै हाल्नु पर्ने हो ENV CNV हरु त. त्यतिको त स्मार्ट छ हाम्रो.
Make sure you add Gitignore file and add all the files necessary there. Okay.
But I like how it turned out. UI पनि अनि all the things, like we are over optimized पनि गरेको छ, like intent बनाएको छ यसले, पहिला सर्भर साइड उसले भ्यालिडेट गरेको छ अनि बल्ल सोलर ट्रान्जेक्सन पठाइरहेको छ. So pretty good. I mean, very impressed.
Yes, this is my I have 0.05 Sol. This is the link that I will send you guys. हैन, यो खुल्छ यहाँ.
टेपाइसु भनेर. Nice. We can actually see, like, let's ask people to add as creators. Oni, I'll try tipping to everyone.
DevNet में.
DevNet में, of course. Because mainnet त हामीले गरेकै छैन. Mainnet गर्न मिल्छ, but like we need to like configure a lot of things. So, you know. त्यो भन्दा राम्रो wallet address दियो, आफै 0.1 सोल हाल्दिने हो क्या सबलाई.
पठायो, कोड हाल्यो. Okay, the code is here.
We are using Solana.new to build everything. That's the agent. So let's say like all Solana programs तिमीलाई end to end बनाउन दिन्छ. It has bunch of skills, like you can validate your idea, ask it to roast your idea, all these things. Okay, GitHub मा push हान्दियो उसले ल.
GitHub मा push मात्र हान्यो हैन. I'm already Vercel मा deploy पनि. Let's see, यतिकै deploy हुन्छ कि हुँदैन. हुनु त पर्ने हो. Next.js उ भइसक्यो.
हुनु पर्ने हो. Lint checkहरु हानिसक्यो हाने जस्तो.
Lint check कक्कीदेखि नै गरिरहेछ यसले. It works.
ल, nice.
Something build भइरहेछ.
भयो के भयो?
के भयो? काइ गएर?
एरर आयो त.
Let's try. यसको टर्मिनल हुन्छ यसमा?
उदाहरण you can open it in VS Code. ए हुनै छ रहेछ.
Run build.
Create an optimized production running TypeScript.
काम गरिरहेछ त्यहाँ त. यहाँ के भयो? ए सर्भर कन्फिगरेसन छैन. कुनै छैन नि. के अरे ENV फाइल्स नै हाले छैन नि. ENV फाइल्स कहाँ गर्नु? Go to project.
Gitnode मा हालेन यसले?
हैन हैन, ENV फाइल्सहरु, environment variable.
ए.
Okay. हैन.
यो स्क्रिन देखिरहेछ है
चाहिँ म I'll just add the environment variable है त
कुल
यो हाल्यो add another
स्टार्टअप भिलेज अरू कुनै ठाउँमा गराउने विचार छ what is SOLAMRI? SOLAMRI is a tipping platform we're building with Solana right now, where creators can come and register themselves in the dashboard, and everyone else can tip them using Solana, using just internet, and you don't need to like go through any banking apps. Startup Village अरू कुनै ठाउँमा गराउने विचार के छ विचार अहिले फर्स्ट टाइम पोखराबाट गरेर but we'll do one more this year, probably somewhere else. So yeah, let's see.
यो एउटा लास्ट मिलाउनु पर्यो नि त
ENV फाइल्स एड गरे हामीले उसमा भर्चुअलमा ENV एड गर्यो
एड गर्दैछु पब्लिक एप युआरएल एउटा मिलाउनु पर्यो यो एउटा चेन्ज गर्नु परेन यसको ऊ कहाँ हुन्छ
के भयो हजुरको स्क्रिन केही पनि देखिरहेको छैन है
एकछिन ओके डोमेन चाहियो नि त एउटा
या complete beginner can join the hackathon त्यही त भनिरहेको छु नि we didn't write like one line of code. I made Aayush understand अलिअलि कुराहरू and we just built the whole tipping platform. So you can build all about lot of things, all the fundamentals बुझेर, and then you can vibe code pretty much of it. And if you need credits to vibe code, we have a grant for that too. So Superteam has a $200 grant where you can get $200 to buy AI credits in Claude, in ChatGPT, in Cursor, in Gemini, in Grok, whatever you want. So yeah, you can vibe code bunch of Solana things, use solana.news and submit for the hackathon because we have 20 winners. And 20 winners ma euta duita tinta panchwata samma pani beginner huncha. If you have a good idea and the implementation is good, because with AI now you can do it, so you can actually win like Ramri prize.
Okay, let's see if this works.
Okay,
let's see. Installing dependencies. यो सँगसँगै हिलियसमा पनि अपडेट गर्नु पर्यो नि अब
किन लोकल आउँछ अहिले अब त
वेबबुक त चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो
वेबबुक चेन्ज गर्नु पर्यो सबले हाम्रै वेबबुक युज गर्ने हो
यस ओके अपडेट यत्रो स्थिति
चाओस् के भयो is it done no हुँदैछ let's go guys once it's done we can then probably use it team चाहिने भन्ने नि के भने अरे team छैन भने नि you can participate एक्लै but ideally team submissions is better to win because again like
build is done
टाइम मैले 12 को एक्जामले बिल सेसनमा भाग लिनु पाएन रे ठीक छ ब्रो नो वरीज
bro
nice one is it live woo
it's live कहाँ छ where's chat हैन यसमा छैन कहाँ छ
YouTube मा put it in नभए WhatsApp मा हाल्दिन्छु chat मा
Okay, that's the okay. Open dashboard. Am I logged in already? No, no, no.
ए तपाईँले भर्सेल सरी तपाईँले
Huh?
भर्सेलको लिङ्क दियो नट द लाइभ लिङ्क
Oh, Virtual को link त्यही त हो नि. That's the live link.
नो
Domain
नो
त छैन नि त अहिले. कहाँबाट domain पाउनु मैले?
बट तपाईँले भर्सेलको डिप्लोइमेन्टवाला लाइभ लिङ्क दिनुभयो कि इट
यो
एक्चुअली रिडिरेक्ट्स टु भर्सेल नट योर लाइभ एप
क्या बोलता है?
या
यही त हो.
एकचोटि तपाईँको स्क्रिन देखिरहेको छैन र क्यामेराबाट के
Hmm. यही त हो link.
भर्सेल डट एप गेट मेन आयुष
यही हो
No, no,
link.
this is redirecting to Vercel.
हैं?
Yeah. तपाईँ त्यो माथिको हो यो चाहिँ हो कि सोलामरी डट एप यो चाहिँ लिङ्क हो या तपाईँले तलको लिङ्क दिइरहनु भएको थियो
Sorry. ल हैन. Does this work?
सोलामरी डट भर्सेल डट एप होइन Let's check.
Does this work? I have to update environment variable.
Yep, this works. ल ओपन डैशबोर्ड साइन इन विथ योर वालेट हेरौँ है त सेलेक्ट वालेट गरौँ फ्यान्टम गरौँ अलि कनेक्ट गरौँ
Helios यो नि चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ मैले.
Actually works, it works. Dashboard पनि खुल्यो ए मेरो उ रहेछ मैले आफ्नो डेभनेटमा चेन्ज गर्नुपर्ने मेरो मेन नेटमा चलेन
सो मैले के गर्नु पर्यो भन्दाखेरि सोलामरी .virtual.app/solamari/Aayush छैन. Does this work? No. ए हैन मैले बनाएकै छैन नि.
बनाएकै छैन तपाईले.
मैले बनाएकै छैन बिर्सिरा. ओके हैन
साइन इन वालेट पनि भइरहेको छैन. But you like let's try doing म तपाईलाई गरेर टेस्ट गर्छु. Can you like give me your link?
Actually I'll create an account पहिला.
तपाईको क्यामेरा अड्क्यो.
एकछिन है. Okay. हैन so select wallet phantom हैन connect. It's connecting. Yes, it happened. Sign into dashboard. Confirm.
Allow.
के भयो?
Okay, यो किन भइरहेछ न sign URL which is not allowed in the server.
URL which is not allowed on this server. Message was signed for another app.
ENV locally use गरिरहेछ जस्तो.
हैन signed Solana message is using URL which is not allowed on this server.
What does that mean? त्यही त मैले त्यही भनेर लोकल होस्टमै गरिरहेछ कि यसले.
And the app is still using the app is still using localhost at many places. All of them should be using the public URL from env file.
Let's go. Oh, it's also.
I'm going to trace every local app.
Next public app URL में रहेछ नि त. Okay.
यहाँ छ. यो भेट्यो भने कहाँ भेट्छ page.tx मै रहेछ नि. auth UI मा छ. याद गरेन.
अब चल्छ कि तपाईले फेरि डिप्लोय गर्नुपर्छ. ठिक छ त्यही हो लिङ्क रे न्यौपाने बराल. होइन यार, त्यो भर्सरको लिङ्क थियो यार।
यहाँ छ टन्नै ठाउँमा गरेर रहेछ यसले।
त्यही त, द्याट्स वाइ।
ओके,
तर वी सेड इट नि त, हामीले नै लोकल होस्ट नै युज गर भनेको थियो नि त।
या now commit these changes and push to main branch. That I want to join for startup village.
Apply to that Luma and apply with what you're building, then yeah, we probably can accept you. कस्तो टाइपको प्रोजेक्ट हुन्छ अरे? सो यही जुन ये हो सोलाना ह्याकाथनमै बनाउने हो कि तिम्रो प्रोजेक्ट? स्टार्टअप भिलेज इज फर एभ्री वान बिल्डिङ द सोलाना ह्याकाथन, सोलाना स्टार्टअप्स। सो तिमीले जे आइडिया अब आज बसेर एक आइडिया एक्सप्लोर गर, वाट यु वान्ट टु बिल्ड। एक्चुली यो solana.new भन्ने हामीले जुन स्किल युज गरिरहेको छ नि, यसमा फाइन्ड आइडियाज पनि छ कि। सो यु क्यान एक्चुली फाइन्ड आइडियाज हियर एन्ड वाट एभर आइडिया यु लाइक यु क्यान गो एन्ड युज द्याट टु बिल्ड इट and apply with that idea for the startup village and we'll be happy to accept.
Okay,
Okay.
building. This should work now.
ठीक छ, nice, pretty cool. कस्तो टाइपको प्रोजेक्ट हुन्छ है? मेरो इन्सेन छ कि मेरो झ्याल बाहिर देयर इज अ डस्टबिन हैन, अनि त्यहाँ राति जहिले मुसा आउँछ कि। अनि त्यसले खट गर्छ कि म राति हिजो तर्सेर ओहो के भयो भनेको त मुसा रहेछ हैन।
Almost there, guys, almost there. Okay. Yes.
चल्यो।
Okay, let's connect.
Nice. Let's see.
Connected. Confirm.
Point फेरि पनि भयो। यो एररै दिउँ न यसलाई, के रहेछ भनेर।
In the
sign into dashboard.
I deployed this app on Vercel and when trying to perform sign in to dashboard. I get the following error. What does this mean and how can we fix it?
Is it webhook को प्रब्लम हो र? हामीले webhook मा एउटै एड्रेस दिइरा थियो नि।
webhook त उसको उ गर्दाखेरि मात्रै हो नि, के रे पेमेन्ट को लागि मात्रै हो नि।
यसले त ड्याशबोर्ड मै के भन्दै यसले द क्लाइन्ट साइन्स अगेन एज पर सर्भिस पोइन्ट्स लोकलाइज रोल डोमेन्स रे। ओके, त्यो सेकेन्ड डिप्लोयमेन्ट इशु पनि रहेछ नि त।
This repo is still hardwired to the local Superbase. Superbase is set भएको छैन नि। What the hell?
And then do you do college shows?
Huh?
Do you do college shows?
Yeah, I do college shows.
And how is it like college shows यहाँ कस्तो छ नेपालमा scene?
Pretty good actually. College shows makes good money. It's fun too, but के रे क्लास छोडेर कमेडी सुन्न पाउँदा रमाइलो हुन्छ बच्चाहरुलाई। But it's fun. Like college shows, I do college shows a lot.
Yeah. Nice. एकदम फेरि इगो मसाज पनि हुन्छ रे नि त कलेज शोजमा।
Ego massage. Sort of, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is there a way I can find a team slash members? Yes, come to our Discord, uh, find a member, भनेर गर. And there's a lot of people who are looking for members. So yeah, you
Yeah.
can do that.
Hold up. Defaults for development, but let Parcel use hosted superbit credentials from ENV.
Right,
That removes
find
the
out Discord links from here. मैले chatमा हाल्दैछु. आयुष दाईको एक्सपिरियन्स कति भयो नि रे के कुरामा?
के कुरामा. That's it.
तपाईँकोमा सुपर च्याट आउँछ कि छैन? ए नेपालमा सुपर च्याट चल्दैन.
चल्छ.
चल्छ?
सुपर च्याट अन छ मेरो.
But I have no way to like send super chat. कहाँ छ र?
छैन र?
I don't think so. Reaction pop out. कहाँ छ? छैन नि. मेरो केही पनि I have no option to take super chat. तपाईँले पाएको छ कहिले super chat?
Yeah.
But I think that's people
75.
from staying outside of Nepal. यहाँ नेपालबाट पठाउनु मिल्दैन.
नेपालबाट चाहिँ मिल्दैन, बाहिरकोले चाहिँ पठाउनु मिल्छ.
Yes, you can't have memberships, you can't have super chats from Nepal. अलि funny छ.
यसको लागि सुपर बेस नै एड गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ भनेसी. I can still do it, हैन? It's not that I can't do it. पक्कै त. Let's try and finish it.
एक पटक ब्रिफमा भनिदिनु न के गरिरहेको खास रे. सो हामीले चाहिँ एउटा सोलाना एप बनाइरह हो भाइ कोड गरेर हैन. त्यसमा चाहिँ what we're trying to do is we're trying to build a tipping platform on Solana, creator tipping platform. Creator tipping platform भनेको चाहिँ क्रिएटर छ, त्यसले लाइभ स्ट्रिम गरेर हाम्रो हो. सो एक्ज्याक्ट अहिले हाम्रो प्रब्लम जुन भन्यो नि सुपर च्याट गर्न मिल्दैन नेपालबाट हैन. त्यही कुरा चाहिँ we're trying to build it using solana.new भन्ने एप जसले चाहिँ it lets you like क्रिएटर आउँछ त्यहाँ उसले आफ्नो ड्यासबोर्डमा आफ्नो प्रोफाइल बनाउँछ अनि देन इट हेज अ पब्लिक युआरएल जहाँ चाहिँ तिमी म कसैले पनि गएर त्यो युआरएलमा गएर टिप गर्न मिल्छ युजिङ सोलाना एन्ड द्याट क्रिएटर गेट्स द टिप डिरेक्टली इन देयर वालेट. अब यसलाई आइडियली चाहिँ यसलाई के गर्नु पनि पर्ने भने हामीले अब हामीसँग टाइम छैन तर लाइक वेन देयर लाइभ स्ट्रिमिङ त्यही ठ्याक्क उसको माथि एउटा सानो पिल हुन्छ जहाँ चाहिँ वेयर यु क्यान प्रेस एन्ड लाइक it automatically injects the creator ko wallet and you can send it. Next creator ko wallet ma jancha अनि notification आउने बित्तिकै notification आउँछ या उसको stream मा के overlay जस्तो आउँछ. That is what we're trying to do. That's the tipping platform on Solana. एक पटक brief त भएन तर भनिदिए मैले जस.
यो भयो next super base framework. यही नै हो.
होला के हेर्न खोजिरहेको हामीले?
मैले where is the
Supabase URL त त्यही छ. Supabase anon key भनेको त्यही हुन्छ. If you go into project
कहाँ हुन्छ? वेट है त. ओके वेट है. यो उ भयो. वेयर आर दिज उहरू?
ओके सुपर त यता लेफ्टमा त्यो प्यानल खोल्नु त. एक्सप्यान्डेड. सो यसमा छ होला. यसमा डेटाबेसमा जाउँ त. अथेन्टिकेसनमा छ र मैले अस्ति भर्खर गरेको थिएँ यो मैले बिर्सेँ तर एसक्युएल एडिटरमा हो. एसक्युएल एडिटरमा हुन्छ होला. होइन एसक्युएल एडिटरमा त त्यो त एड गर्ने हो.
Where is it? Where is it? Authentication.
अस्ति भर्खर गरेको त थिएँ.
Noted.
प्रोजेक्ट सेटिङ्स हो. प्रोजेक्ट सेटिङ्समा हुन्छ.
Project
API keys हो. लेफ्टमा API keys.
API keys. Okay.
यहाँ छ. Legacy, anon and serviceable. त्यही छ जस्तो.
Yeah. Okay. So service role. Superbase anon key, Superbase service role. मैले यो कुराहरु पर्यो नि त.
छ त्यहाँ भेट्नुभयो?
कहाँ गयो?
स्ट्रिङमा के भएछ क्लाउड कोड र कोडेक्समा कतिको डिफरेन्स छ डिफरेन्स आई थिङ्क अहिले हामीले कोडेक्स युज गर्दाखेरि सरप्राइजिङली आइ एम भेरी इम्प्रेस विथ कोडेक्स पनि अहिले इट हेज डन एभ्रिथिङ गुड बट पर्सनली मेरो चाहिँ अलिक क्लाउड मलाई मनपर्छ जस्ट बिकज अफ द डिजाइन टेस्ट इट हेज लाइक इट जस्ट डिजाइन्स भेरी ब्युटिफुल एक्सपिरियन्सेस द्याट आई लाइक बट क्लाउडलाई तिमीले राम्ररी ब्रान्ड गाइडलाइन्सहरू सबै कुरा दियो भने लाइक यु क्यान सी अहिले हामीले बनाएको एप पनि इज लुकिङ गुड एन्ड इट इज फलोइङ सम डिजाइन आर्किटेक्चर डिजाइन सेन्स छ उसको पनि सो या आई थिङ्क द्याट but like I was trying to use Claude and Codex independently with the same prompts, and Claude would make better looking applications for sure. But yeah, I mean the only difference, but it just gets better ola today. I think the difference is in credits पनि है Claude को $20 को credit एकदमै चाँडो सकिन्छ Codex को चाहिँ I think you can build a full program with the $20 plan and it won't like exhaust sessions very quickly. Claude को त कहिले काहीँ 4 prompt मा सकिन्छ एक session, so that's very irritating.
यो भयो and where is the URL? Where is the URL?
के चाहिँ भेट्नु भएन
Superbase public URL.
It is in project settings अनि API मा project URL भनेर लेखेको होला
There's no project URL here.
You'll be under the project URL section right? It looks like your project id.subabase.co.
Okay. Yes, actually that is correct. Let's say next public Superbase URL.
Okay. यसले ENV मा हाल्दा थिएन र आफै हाल्दा थियो हैन र
हाल्या थिएन होला सो अहिले यहाँनिर ट्राई गर्नै पर्छ मैले I still have to try it locally नै सबभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ एनोन कि मैले हाल्दे सर्भिस रोल मैले हाल्दे अनि यो पनि मैले हाल्दे हैन यो गरे मैले यो चाहिँ एनभी एक्जाम्पलमा फाले रहेछ मैले Okay, let's see does this work? अच्छा त लोकल होस्ट गरेँ मैले हैन ओपन डैशबोर्ड कनेक्ट गरेँ साइन इन टु डैशबोर्ड कन्फर्म वेब3 प्रोवाइडर इज डिसेबल्ड उसमा वेब3 प्रोवाइडर इनेबल गर्नुपर्छ मैले सुपरबेसमा कहाँ हुन्छ
यो साइन इन विथ सुपरबेसले पब्लिकेसन्स क्रिएट गरे कि सिधै हामीले गुगलबाट दिएको भए सजिलो हुन्थ्यो
Where do I enable Web3 provider in Superbase?
Can enable for dashboard providers मा गएर
authentication मा providers
मा आयो go to authentication तपाईको स्क्रिन देखाएको छैन
हैन providers configure policies OAuth servers
additional providers मा नि हुन सक्छ रे web3 wallet भनेर
कहीँ छ नि त ओके
web3 provider मा Solana भनेर चाहिँ गर्नु रे enable
Solana. No Solana.
Web3
Web3
provider भित्र होला रे.
Web3 wallet.
Yeah,
Solana.
Web3
Okay.
wallet भित्र चाहिँ Solana.
Okay. Got it. Done. Done. Okay. No, nothing.
भएन. So reload आनु त. तर फेरि this is you are using localhost कि के?
एकछिन है त खोइ डकर update the code to use cloud Superbase instead of a local installation. Where is Docker? कहाँ गयो Docker?
खोल्नु भएको थियो अरे.
थोक लाग्यो त अब त.
त्यही त. Is your website in full production or prototype? Right now we're just building a prototype, so it has some complications. तर DevNet मा चाहिँ चल्नु पर्ने हो. So we're trying to just make it deployed and working. So त्यही गर्न खोजिरहेको. लोकली चाहिँ रन भइसकेको छ सबै कुरा. Rishabh Dhakal is #1 fan रहेछ आजको. This is pretty cool. You can see top fans रहेछ.
कहाँ गयो Docker? Why can't I find Docker यहाँनिर? छैन क्या अब खोल्दैन क्या अब.
त्यसले चेन्ज गर्यो? क्लाउड सुपरबेस युज गर्यो?
I think so. Okay. Let's see. के भयो?
Localhost 3000 failed to load next config रे.
What?
What do you think is the average full-time salary for someone skilled in UI UX and front-end development who also has solid experience in Python and cloud technologies? Okay, कहाँ like के context मा नेपाल भनेर? नेपालमा what is the average full-time salary for someone who is skilled in UI UX and front-end development? I think if you're starting out, I don't know, के छ यार नेपाल rates?
Rates त मलाई पनि थाहा छैन अहिले.
I don't know, what I've heard from my friends is after a trainee, once you start getting employed, I think 30 जस्तो दिन्छ होला front end लाई, front end UI UX लाई. That's what I've heard. I'm not sure. Check at the
Wait.
top. Can't top panel.
Web3 provider is disabled हुन्छ त. Web3 provider त enabled.
Solana coin ho re. Yes, Solana DevNet coin ho. So it's a developer environment, but yes, Solana nahi ho.
Okay. This could work है bro अब.
हो के चेन्ज गर्यो हामीले. चल्यो.
Hey!
Nice.
Look. Wait. Wait.
अब उसमा चाहिँ चेन्ज गर्ने लोकली त चलिरहेको थियो अघि पनि
हैन आयुष हु अब मैले यसको यो हाल्दिने हैन त
रिसिभिङ वालेट यसबाट पठाइरह हैन ओहो के भयो वी कुड नट भेरिफाई योर क्रिएटर प्रोफाइल स्टेटस रे किन हो त्यस्तो किन हो
के भयो
डिआई लिङ्क ड्यासबोर्ड तपाईँले रेजिस्टर गरिसक्यो नयाँ सुपर बेसमा लिङ्क पनि छ हैन त पब्लिक लिङ्क
त्यो पनि छ
it was /view public page claim your SOLAMRI page हो यो त यो रेजिस्टरिङ अहिले त यहाँ यो त सेटअप गरेर हो तपाईँले कुनै पनि वालेट हालिदियो मैले त किन किन किन
could not verify your creator profile status
पहिलेदेखि छ भनेर हो कि
Shrestha, let's look at the code.
हो किन
We could not if not user registration has expired super base from
Superteam,
profile
yes this is Superteam Nepal
प्रोफाइल बनेन यता उसमा प्रोफाइल बनेन प्रोफाइल बनिरहेको छैन
ए किन तर what's the error गल्ती /e-सेवा पेमेन्ट एपीआई युज गर्न मिल्छ कि एनआरबी रेस्ट्रिक्सन्स छ गल्ती ई-सेवा पेमेन्टले उनै गर्न दिँदैन नि इट कान्ट रिसिभ पेमेन्ट्स थ्रु एनी अफ द इन डिजिटल करेन्सी also I think getting Khalti and e-seva APIs is incredibly hard like they don't give you any public APIs for some reason
कहाँ सेभ भइरहेछ त यो अब
SOLAMRI Watercell.app मा के यसले प्रोग्रामै प्रोफाइल बनाउन चाहिँ किन नदिइरह यसले यस्तो हुन त नपर्ने हो
यो भयो हैन यो भएन ओके यो कुन थियो हैन
सेलेक्टेड यो त भइरहेछ साइन मेसेज भइरहेछ ओके नो यही पनि भएन अब
fail to fetch
किन हो किन कन्फर्म गरौँ
ठिक छ कन्फर्म
sign with your Solana account but के भइरहेछ रे
के भयो
पेलोड रिक्वेस्ट त राम्रो ठीक नै छ
sign in to SOLAMRI creator dashboard version यो issued at यो त एरर मेसेज हैन त नि यो किन एज एरर मेसेज देखाइरहेछ 127 ए किन 127
ए यसले अझन लोकली नै पठाइरहेछ त
अझै त्यो पठाइरहेछ कता गयो 127.0.0.1 हैन Okay, config.toml.
localhost 3000.
Shrestha.
Like Supabase config is still using localhost.
Mm, is using 127.0.0.1 API URL. It should use the public URL in env file. Wait. हामीले लोकल होस्टमै टेस्ट गरे अहिले हामी वेट
त्यो पनि हो लाइक we're testing a localhost हैन र अहिले.
वी कुड नट मेन चाहिँ के भयो भने यता के अरे युजरै क्रिएट भएन सुपरबेसमा. द्याट्स द प्रब्लम.
Superteam Nepal is company. Why Nepal can't build $1 billion IT company? A, we don't have funds. B, there's not enough exposure. So yeah, I think once both of that happens, we should be able to build $1 billion companies. Superteam Nepal is company. Superteam Nepal is a company, yes. It is a Solana Foundation initiative to promote blockchain in Nepal. Any update? ENB update by na live pare.
उसमा
Sign in त भयो अब.
साइन इन भएको छैन यो के अरे डेटाबेसमा युजरै बनिरहेको छैन क्या. ए वेट एकछिन है माइग्रेटै गरिरहेको छैन नि. माइग्रेसन भइरहेको छैन. वेट है त. When running on cloud Superbase, users are not being created. I think migrations are not running. What is the correct way of running migrations on Superbase when deploying in Vercel?
Shit, मेरो Mac को चार्जरै ल्याइन मैले. So I can go off anytime.
This is a good sign. Next I'm checking whether there's any deploy. Migration नै गरेछ नि त्यही भएर.
ठिक छ. I've confirmed Repo as migrations, right? But pipeline there pushes from there.
Profile flow now because authority user and your app's own profiles rows are separate things, and this distinction matters a lot for debugging this. Just got funded, are who
got funded?
Sales
We
with
all don't believe what just happened, lol. Just got funded, lol. Pretty cool, man. Congrats. How much did you get funded? What's your round? Pre-seed भन्दै थियो अब seed भयो क्या. 2M NPR lol. 2 million NPR भने कति 20 लाख? 2 million भने 1 million भने 10 लाख हैन. Whoa, 20 लाख. Crazy man.
20 lakh funding. Right.
But what are you building रे मैले बुझिन. मैले अघि हेरेको त थिए. You said you're building something according to creator economy, right? के चाहिँ भनिरहेको थियो तिमीले?
Let's push the mic to the cloud for now.
Creator commerce. Okay, yeah, creators commerce. So creator commerce specifically के हुन्छ? Like explain. What do you mean by creator commerce? Is that like creators can like just sell their product slash services in a
Creator
platform?
Commons. Drop the link, bro. Let's.
Yeah.
I'm very
Let's do a
interested.
campaign. Now you have funding, so let's do a campaign. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I'm guessing it's a platform where creators can sell their courses and products. Pretty cool. Link drop garo bro. Where's the link? के भयो भइरहेको छैन?
होइन यहाँ हुन्छ अब
ये रे सेल्स विथ हिरोज रे सेल्स नाम भएको मान्छेले त फन्डिङ उठाउँछ ल मैले त्यति त दिन्छु.
Okay.
Here's the link, guys. Where, bro? So link out there. You'll have to either put it inside a bracket or something. Link matre garni ho when it doesn't come.
NPX Superbase DB push.
So it's a seed round, bane. See, pre-seed 22 million NPR bane. Also, who's investing, bro? If you can tell. Is it a VC? Is it private equity? Is it friends and family? It's angel Q. Pre-seed, okay. Private investor, okay, cool. Nice.
SOLAMRI.Versal.
Well, let's see about it's also hopeful it's also one double.
No. No, too good to be true. So we have database.
Send like this. Send like funny. Send like this one. Example पढाएर चाहिँ त्यसको पनि लिंक आएन के. Brother, send like this को पनि आएन यार तिम्रो link. Like put it यसो गर न, put it inside a bracket. Like wait, if I want to do, I'll send it like on dot. मेरो पनि आइरा छैन क्या. Superteam.
127.0.0.1 आइरहेछ यहाँ.
मेरो लिंक आइरहेछ, मैले भर्खर लेखेको लिंक आइरहेछ. Can you guys see?
Bro, this will take some time. I don't think we can do it किनकि हामीले local super base मा गरेर माथि try गर्न खोज्यौ. It works, we know. Deployment will take some time. Let's end it as a. I'll fix गरेर I'll send it to you later.
Yeah, works. No problem. Okay, guys, what about now, Ray? Okay, your links are not here, guys. By the way, Aayush Daiko Boini was my previous HR, lol, Ray.
ए हो उसमा के अरे एमिनेन्समा. Okay. Oh, Firoz, were you in Eminence? Nice. All right,
मेरो
guys.
लिंक पनि म अघिदेखि फुल लिंक पठाइरहेको रहेछु, मैले देखिरहेको छु नि त. I was thinking लिंक गइरहेछ, but apparently लिंक नगइरहेको रहेछ.
Okay, Firoz, let us know यता Instagram मा भए पनि tell me about your product. It looks very interesting. I'm interested to know. It's creator economy was I'd like to get involved in one way or another as well. So आजलाई यति नै गरौँ. almost 3 hours, more than three
Yeah,
hours. Kidding.
yeah. The last plug हाल्छु म hackathon को लागि है त.
Mm.
So, guys, thank you for watching. We finally completed the product. We were building a Solana creator tipping platform. It was just a MVP wanted to build to like show you guys how we can actually vibe code a whole Solana project in pretty much like 2 to 3 hours. We use something called
It
Solana.new,
took us 6 hours.
but like that's not 2 घन्टा. To be fair, we just talked. So 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 yeah, if you're just putting headphones and coding, then it'll just take you 3 to 4 hours
Mm.
and 2 sessions of codex credits. So should be enough. And yeah, so Solana.new भन्नेले गरे यो सब. That's a super team product where you can pretty much like validate your idea, find ideas, do a computer analysis, and build everything using Solana.new. मैले अघि देखा जसरी नै तल आइ पनि रहेछ. There's a hackathon that is going on, and the submission is till May 11. It's a Solana hackathon, quarterly global hackathon हुन्छ जसको total prize pool is around $600,000. And the best part is the startup competition. So what that means is if you get into the accelerator, 15 teams get into an accelerator, and they get $250,000 in pre-seed funding if you get accelerated, if you get accepted. Like Firoz said, he just got 20 lakh. So insanely like that, you can get a funding offer of $250,000. Firoz, you should also submit for the Solana hackathon. You're already funded now, and you can get a bigger check. And also, the best part is not just the accelerator, we have a $10,000 prize pool just for Nepali teams. So if you're building from Nepal, you have a 15 lakh prize pool to compete for the just with Nepali teams, and all you need to do is submit for the main hackathon. So it's a side track. Like main prize pool भन्दा पनि 10 lakh, 15 lakh, the biggest hackathon ever in Nepal, is just for Nepali teams. So all of that is done by Superteam Nepal. Go register, join our discords, link tree ma follow us or any of our socials. It's everywhere. It's Superteam Nepal. I think we can drop links. कसरी ड्रप लिङ्क गर्ने? Can you drop our link tree को link?
Yes. Send it to me.
Okay, त्यसमा सबै socials को छ, so you can like join Discord or anywhere, and त्यहाँबाट you can pretty much find everything about us. हेत्तेरिका link tree खै. Okay, I dropped in the chat, so he'll drop it in the YouTube chat. त्यहाँबाट you guys can like you can like find us in Discord and everything, find out everything we're doing and bunch of things we do. So yeah, how Aayush, how was the experience for you to build your first Solana app?
Yes, Solana, it looks fun. I'm more interested in the hackathon, so I hope I get to come to the hackathon as well. This is very fun,
Yeah.
guys. So like the Solana skills actually pretty helpful. Ramro skills are right, and it actually like the only parts that we kind of got stuck on was in the in the design phase, in the pipeline phase, the actual crypto part was actually the smoothest part of it all. I know. And it's the things around it that took us a little bit time. So yeah, I think this is a great initiative. All the best to Ronak and Super Team. So as a lagi yati nai. Thank you so much. Five coding was fun. I'll see you next time. More stream gari nai rahunchu. So see you soon.
All right, see you guys. Bye bye. Good night.